Edi kan yɛbɔ waba so.
That's it.
Yɛbɔ waba so sɛ waba abɛtena akonnwa ɛte sɛ so. Ɛyɛ Ghana Akoma. Akoma no nso deɛ wonim sɛ ɛno ne kura yɛ. Sɛ egyae sɛ ɛyɛ adwuma pɛ na kyerɛ sɛ owuo kwan ne yɛsi so. Yɛn nso yɛmpɛ sɛ Ghana bɛwu. Na wote na akonnwa kɛseɛ so yi deɛ na yɛka sɛ ayiko yɛ mmoabo. Enim sɛ wobɛkura na wakura ne yie te sɛ kosua a ɛmmɔ fam. Nti bra o hyɛ dwuma kɛse a ti sɛ ase ɛbɔ mpaeɛ ɛwɔ Awurade din mu ɛma wo. Otumfoɔ Nyankopɔn wo a tumi nyinaa yɛ wo dea na wobɔ wiase na ɔhyehyɛ no sɛdeɛ wopɛ na da nyinaa nso dandan no sɛdeɛ wopɛ teɛ. Ayɛyie nka wo na ase nka wo wɔ mpɛmpɛnso a wode yɛn aduro sɛ ɔman. Yɛda wase ɛma busuakuo ahorow nyinara adwumakuo ahodoɔ nyinara na titiriw yɛnnua Kofi Asante baabi a wapagya no aduru. Wo deɛ wonsoma obi soro na onyi n'ase atwedeɛ baabi ara da. Woso no mu na ade no kwaa de no kokodu awieyɛ. Wonsoma obi nso a na wahyehyɛ na onim deɛ ɔba abɛyɛ nti no wama no ho aka deɛ nyinara. Akoma nyansa abotare akokoduro ne pɛ biara ɛsɛ na ɛfata fadom oboni. Ma no deɛ ɛsɛ na ɛfata nyinaa na bra ɔhyɛ dwumadie kɛse a ɛte sɛ asɛm. Yɛnim sɛ wo a wahyɛ dwuma paa so wode bɛba awieyɛ. Na ɛnam saa kwanya yi so, ɛnam saa radio dwumadie yi so, wobɛma asomdwee, nhyira, bambɔ, mputuo, kankɔ, nokorɛ aba ɔman Ghana mu. Dia no so na hyɛ wo ho anuonyam. Na ne nyinaa akyi no yɛmfa wo naase ɛnni da biara da. Na mmom yɛde wo naase bɛma wo ne aka sɛ mo ahemmohe mo wɔ deɛ wayɛ afa yɛ nua Kofi Asante so ama Ghana man ɛne wiase nyinara. Kofi, nyame otumi adeɛ nyinaa yɔ no ne nhyira n'adom na homɔborɔ ne bambɔ n'asomdwee ne mpuntuo ne ne kankɔ nhyira ne adom no. Obi egu so enkaw no fie enkaw eno de uye biara ene kosi daapem. Amen.
Boris B. Opening Cassia, Sante Manta Wina, eba portrait famesa. One a down and on eba portrait feed, eba Ziadia dem preco feed, the crack and home. Bibia Boris B. Edimat man, and cats or Johnny studio, and so your time ninety, Yamon Common Tell, our your phone so. A jabema and a payment watching more crabba, Bibia Bocordier.
Good.
I'm paying no arm man chasm. There's a Aduanaba between Kusium. Very, very sad.
Kofi, and the we can more about the BBC. The neighbors engagement cool.
Not correct.
And the poultry farmers, as you know,
not correct.
When I'm on your kitchen, I'm on your kitchen.
That's it.
The question of the terror, none of it into the castle radio.
Yeah.
Oh, Fonso.
Okay.
Now, studio no, you know, no cat idea. Idea is some value, but anyway, Nashi. When I'm of phones with you, the Ghana 40.
Okay.
Now, you mean Kuma.
Okay.
And to my consortium 5 and
Sure.
Exactly.
Sure.
Good.
At the NSC. Because you say you didn't come there 3 weeks ago, a month ago, about schools. Now your day, young Kokosia, a short change, macrania, the day, in Chilimubai, and a crocodile. Yeah, that's sorry, yeah. Kosia Bob a tomb from Monday. What has happened? DNS.
Akoma FM. Not 87. And you see, you need to and it's natural, the one.
Exactly.
As you may, last one moment, a call Cambridge, and maybe a doctor, and maybe the minister, maybe a director. People in the poultry and commission and say, I had also and could not work to the festival. It makes say, send me a young could be another doctor. That's so I couldn't also be a function. And maybe I don't grab in here. And this on the tuition. Council and use never quadrate or training. Said the name summer by Swafo and also be my mother chairman. I was on it must say I don't foresee a Kebia. I know who mean to say, if we were here with me, or yes, the police for the with your car to the meeting. Who were tried to defend that, they can't say. And because some one and cop price be. Because I'm cop price to be. And you will help it with the back of my now, or how the kind of you die of going here to Kosia, why you say, and why you say, and mind the grass at the end to Kosia. Let's have you, and then be and I said you, William you, mid year, the Dano, people not from the cow, and I make the year you might have what sub you would be a year. And I do want to know, I quite a by any thing on the kitchen. And the police was a clown in a couch. And now we talk Kosia, one may be Kosia. Supportive farm of the Jumania, what would you get? Now, to get Marian and Tia, and Climate, a broad wire being to buy another who wants to be good 2 cities, a double 100%. Sadia, and the portrait farmers. A broad wire being the actual, almost a tone, Kosia. 10 years price, and you talk Kosia. I know that's the tone Kosia. Bring your air, Baba. If you are not, Miss Yamini. 40 farmers in Asante region. You share mono. The predator see what the computer to what. And the big will be on the prices. Say, Mia, prices been at the year, Juma. How come price being down? Kofi, how boka? That is a Juma wood, you know.
Wow.
Come both my farmers in the book.
Poultry farmers ne boka.
A boka, say. Oh, we should check here, you know. That is a minus 6.6%.
Can't believe that.
Over here, Juba. I've become minus 38.6%. And not to the poultry farmers. Have you? I want to be empty among workers. If you idea that you will see down for a souvenir, my minimum. Hey, say, you better question. And now say, planting for food and jobs. And next, say, again, the year was struggle to say, planting for food and jobs struggle for survival. The one.
Yes, exactly. In the words, I don't know.
Yes, because of what? Subsidy payment. Now say it's your minimum. That's your subsidizing. Again, so what would you have growth? And what? So you feeding. How would you do? And it's supplies a beer. Government flagship project. And you're planting for food and wearing for food and jobs. The one.
Exactly.
It is a Akoma planting for food and jobs. Subsidy Akoma wearing for food and jobs. They were here.
And so, because Boris B, Mumu be a benefited from the president planting for food and jobs. And you should be intervening for Mokoliza. Ebi a bro cry ni we are some more than case and could do bro yantam kabe or supply be crama union.
Bilia, your plan, your proposal. The minister said you proposal that 2 banks be anymore. The year approval, but we are disbursement in full court. It is difficult.
I see.
Now, number 2, the mechanic said, yeah, will be there. Said you, so be a nimi and crown or finding nimi. Yes, but you say, or swap for also to see, or me will be the engine.
Exactly. No, Bobian himself, but Bobian himself is being woody. I know more yet, Jumo.
But it's almost said, who will be here, Juma? Let's just say, Capano and who's the Indian, only a year, man.
Bobian himself, but from where people sit and where people, Omen himself, Wamushia, who Boris be the who should be who. A 2 can say, you'll be one.
Kofi, yeah, family, you know. Oh, say, I did the other come say, a baby, a baby, a back. Now, Bana, a chamuno. 77 previous. A car, not what did me and son or what they call you know. A car, a buyer by and so much money. Let me give it to us, and you bet you, mamma. Now, Cassadio and no more dean. A brony idea, so you can't know what the new idea, the swab of Maymuno. Import and nano plano. It is that necessary for man to do. And you are saying a farmer of one who got 320,000. Man, 3 years broke a year, man, one articulator for the same month. Lydia, that one articulator, in 3 days.
Oh, really?
2 years. Yes. Within 3 days, that.
And me boss say we import to a bro a bagana. Is that what you are telling us?
Yes, you Ghana, yes. It's Ghana.
We import to free. We import to free.
Sir, your neighboring countries, you know.
Yeah.
It's need to free over.
Okay.
And they say, yes, Kenya, you say. You better have Swabia, Argentina, and Brazil, the US. That should be Yaba.
I say planting for food and jobs. I have to say, farm and Kaburabu or Ghana. You hear brosi a bear import a bra baby. Again,
Kofi, that questions, you know. I will be serving. Be a businessman and a for raw material.
Of course.
Of
course.
If what they are no penny for each year, then the Capitan was fair, we were swap property. No afraid the technical team, no afraid animal production director, no afraid that every director. Like a Ubi Sound said that Bruno was here. Name Boris B. A Bruno one and to be from the businessman. But don't tell me that.
You are 100% right. You are 100% right.
Aye. The new cases will say, I couldn't be how would it treat to say, the old one, Sanka, even Niquano Musica, Abba. Send me a thing, a baby, the cabinet. Because the Mahama government cabinet decided to bring in 39.5 million in change. See, broiler revitalization. So you become armed to one mid Boris of the Sika a year, Chimano. But a year, you know, don't get it, about that current Chanica, by moving the Chanica. Interest as far as you can and say, I'm still struggling to get that money. Poultry farmers near the dance fair. Yeah, Chibano. Now you push share on my penny. Poultry farmers is penny for the other two the new set. Boris a big thing. On my penny, that the other can't be Jim on penny because you see, the thing is not about the not Akufwado. The thing is about people who are implementing projects on the ground. We implement the programs, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm telling you the truth. So some of us see a bab on TV. That you didn't go here. That means something is not working right. Are you listening to me? You will be said here. You will be said here. Once you found condom for neighbors, and she and see a man can you not that for his diction is so right, it's so good and so better said. If you look at what Ghana have you but the first implementers, no more implementing policy, are not doing certain things right. The reason why we don't see maize today, the reason why we don't see certain things, and that's what they are price not high cheap, and that's a skyrocketing price, and that's a price a cost, linear, and no, and there must be no other. I think you took it. Yeah, no, I have part three what you know. So the next man, they were trying to do some of moving our 12 booster in Kabul. The man who you say was in there, a Kofi, a Robo, wow. You think, what that's what I care. Yeah, I have part three, you say, if you come, for the year to man, a baby corner, baby back. Let's say, one of the year to man. They will stakeholders, they listen to you. It's a Bruno, and a short, I hear more signal. Let's find some. Let's bring some. And that's how Ghanaians will survive. This is how we should have gone with. But a net bra, a bro, a terminal, and a bro, that is where a permit and other things are issued for us to bring maize into the country. That is wrong. You see, I don't know how I'm calling you. I want to say, I'm calling you. But when traffic happens, we are sure how this is the poultry farmers are suffering. If the poultry farmers, they say, and according to the mathematics, maybe good project so more we know who be, and they all attested to the fact that all is a small outcome. It's true. I said, because you have what I've been, and just a talk, as I said, as a thank you, talk, 32.5 our farm day.
Okay.
And not the offer for Kusiano, and was farm, and then the one to the tissue air transportation. Now, battle is 3.5. Now, Kusiani Ban, and the margin, to take your Hoji Busia, a free bank, not according to Chicago, after the first one, it's like an crown for City of 35 of Crown. Not the Kusiani Ban of 35. None yet offer for Kusiano. On the airport, you can get a problem. Also, not in pass with the empty. It's the only to see Anua, or more Muchikusiano about him. Sabridi, a dog for Butier. Obiara entire the Kusiani Bano, and the same Kusiano at 1 to the 50 pesos.
Hey!
Because we say, so share, King Abuke, who share a thing saying, value chain noir, air connoir, air toy farmers, young Tinin Kochikusia. And now, a woman Chikusian, almost to the Fokusian bulk in free of.
Yeah.
And a woman to almost come to focus, almost curious when you are almost you the Fokusian people direct. And what do we do? We're a factory, wholesaler, retailer, and consumer. All that one make but the thing, you put that farmer that talk with yourself 2.5 from it. The first is the one. The first is the copy 2.5 to see annual. And now it's yay. And next, our farmers, air torn, tribute Kusia, who you're doing, but our farmers, Obani being a Kusia and Ton. After the money, yes, durable is the small kind. They're not where they who put a project and after forecast, we look at the forecast. But we are who said, and you mean it's like a technique, it's probably a clear fossil. Then a possible and safe. Farm gate, Kusia large, return 24. Kusia medium, return 22. Kusia a yes small, return 20. Kusia a yes pullet, return 18. After it's unsorted, return 22. Which I will say, a clear form, your boy who can say, even 22 days your tone. Yes, I so bad to the car. What is it? Time a piano ain't young password for all the price you are making. Young password, and say you better gonna be coming. 40 pounds to see. Yeah, boy, minimum, you could a crack. Maybe 2 months or not 3 months. Near Tasha, to the year that could do. And yes, sir, then you share lose. At the end, try lose, yeah. So they said, no beer, judge one war. No beer or yet, as you hope for. A baby and your protein. It's the best protein, minimum. You could see the chicken. A bed in the BBC, and that's a boy, chicken, as a dark farm. And that's someone yamwa. And that's
Asare farms, no.
Asare farms. Oh, now, the better way you know. That's maybe now that's a great crowd. It is called Kofi. The day yana. It's in the coffee. If it's the boom, if it's Tokusia, never won't just yourself. I'm giving you young one, and yet the end product. And then they say, Chia Naka. And then they say, Chia Naka. 40 pounds, they say, almost so far. All because of the costume. Now, what was that last week? Thursday. They call Parliamentary Select Committee, or the National Chairman here, the Fuaka.
Okay.
Because share Parliamentary Select Committee. National Chairman Qatar. You were Kwame Kifo, Tosca, Yukas Farm, also Qatar. Or Kasari, and I'm with Qatar. You are Tosca, or your farmer, or Sasu, your teacher. The national best was your farmer. And I mean, Boris B. The importer blue, so we import raw material. The year fee, the year farm. Your hatchery, and I'm sorry, that was the thing, which means I cut, across the whole value chain. It's in what? At the time, the chairman, national chairman, small kind of rich. The more a bro, I'm not home has said. I'm a government, I'm for there 130 million in Nepal. 130 million. I'm not subsidy. I'm fund reducing to blue farmers and to me and Toby at the price of 50 cedis. I can tell you, sir, by December, a father pushed it down. So we took 975 million. That was share fertilizer subsidy with the and yeah, the air sort of said, you will call you 200 billion. You see, 130 million for the whole nation. You will be a new banner. One tire cheap. Number 5. subsidy, you tell me about more time pressure. It's never going to be no more. We can even maintain the price. No, so one for farmers, they not any other reason than to raise the prices to 32.5 at the farm gate. Remember, 30.5, and yet end consumer price, but at the farm gate, not to see any banner to what to start for tone. It's one here, but two, that could see that store, and it's 40 cities a creek. But it is no fault of anybody. That is a minor situation, and after the prices of commodities, and a big price at the booster. It's all hard. Many are saying Kofi. So okay, 16 cities. I know we told of 1 city. Affordable 2 cities.
Exactly.
Then we should tell. Then the Kushia 16 cities. That's a quarter of 2 cities. What is the
No, but it's be Matiwa, but I'm scared because it appears the situation here that bad. I say I'm pano Pumesibre many ya. Everything ya jinsemu by December.
We need to get the right people to be working as implementers of the national vision.
Because when you are a doctor free yakutu, what Kumasi no free, Quadas no free. I mean, I'm surprised at some of these collaborations. Mumubia, Munina, Ben, want me any good idea from Mumubi to have some of these things worked out. I'm surprised.
I don't know. And I just say, me, Boris, I've been a good patriotic citizen. President Mahama project by boiler revitalization. The core president of Mukano on an so yes. Then you go for Boris, so no boy. Then I am finding the Kuba thing. We are targeting the NDC, the one. I was packed. But when Ennin said, the city are shut here, this is Sabri, and another dancer who won. When Ennin said, Boris B has led his convoy, this is Sabri. I'm not ashamed, I'm not afraid, I'm not moved to the cat out of me because it's a fact. Who got here? And do what? And some putting that from number credit. When Ennin and the MPP, I'm still standing in and doing my best. But if the ministry is not working with you in tandem, how can we do? If the ministry is not working with you in tandem, and when I'm talking about that means project execution. No, some of us should come to the forefront to help. But if you can do it alone, we sit back and watch, and we do our own private thing. But Kofi, the fact of the matter still remains that you don't feel to know. One for that, you don't know.
And
the admission in Sabiano. The admission in Sabiano. Maybe what school in Ano? We have a prep college before. I was the best dancer, the 3-time dancing champion of prep college.
Oh,
the star, the Saipa, who saw one. Competition,
you don't mean it. Wow.
I was a 3-time dancing champion of prep college.
That is very interesting.
That classroom one. What did they call with Shadia? Now could be fair. Who did it? You will be over. In the Shadia and Quaker could do the Via Pante. You go both degrees, some masters, no how I can second. Yeah. If young son at the class school, you answer a crowd one. And you do any of them. And then I am not to this year. Nothing to Kofi. Maybe I was going to school today. Then it's all one of the other things. Who did you buy?
Yeah.
Me too, and there's only a good business. Let me talk about this. If you walk to school, about school, you do better than how you do more.
And the pa,
It will be a hotel, school, and never be able to do a gun. You're not seeing somebody else. It is a penitentiary. I don't know who tell me. If you move over. So who wants to young for young can't even want young yet the now we have to increase X. Let's set that up for what will be a more a man of the war who couldn't be a cushion or trying to bear at this moment. Because we are there said here, the short Asiamano.
Now, maybe a done deal decision and answer a proposal being a more because that's a my dream that's why I am a Casalinianta from a Tadama to Kofi.
Let me tell you, say, and then make Boris build the market position. A national chairman will regional chairman will all the executives of Asante Regional Poultry Farmers Association in Iowa with the poultry farmers and the make decision with all the district chairmen and the executives. And the make decision said there be a human aircon. A human will be aircon, a book, and Nuntino, Yanta Cusiano, essentially two farm gate, a quarter 2.5. But we can normally and tomorrow soon, a soon, and always see. Young fan shall 24, 22, 20. May young fan queen in the cracker. It's an HSS. Then no better to share there 24, 22, 20. That's what the Bible until the transport in the passing in our kitchen. That's the good you could do the old to share here. Ghana way, the several one chapter by it. You say a Bruno, a Brian. A Bruno is in Nebby. And the Bruno of the year, never so I find make one one. Now, the main side who is it? They say that. So I did this after 2 graphics to say the event, Canada for food and job struggles for survival. It means to say those who are supplying fertilizers are not going to release fertilizer because it becomes the more
yeah.
Almost found fertilizer and some farmers.
I buy the fertilizer suppliers 680 million Ghana cedis.
But that
is the cost. Yeah.
And if things doesn't trickle down very fast for the farmers to get fertilizer, that means the coming year, the years are ahead, I see it there anymore. I can say a Bruno and some master your army irrespective of the issue.
Wow.
And the other swap. Now, no, a book of cash has to say about it. Farmers, because the farmers are dear Bruno. He says you are sharp here. Oh, there. Who you could see that wow. You wow, I am now subsidy.
Exactly.
You say, oh, swap and current price of about 380, 70, 60, 50. You say a blue fair day, and no action of matter sharp. That's I think I can say what then what is the essence of you giving the farmer
a subsidy?
Subsidy.
Because as we speak, yeah, bag from enriching command yeah, from farmers near 45 cities, 450, yako 600 at the various retail shops in Okra.
It is the small farmers fertilizer. In the year. That's the whole market. I can one in coming. Big commercial farms in coming. You give on the small scale farmers fertilizer.
Okay.
And the big farmers end coming. And so then leave the fertilizer company. What kind of fertilizer company? Me and I am caught. Now start fertilizer subsidy. And some year produce preco. And year produce cocoa. And year produce cosiado. And some run the tail end of it. Subsidize it because at the end of the day, near all this stuff, all the fertilizer subsidies, or never would you say the commercial farmer every year. And then what is the essence in it?
Okay.
So my point is, it is not about happy idea. And you plan any also end product, who tell me,
yeah,
or better who's at least, and you say that here. And now say a broader air schools, a broader air schools. When every school buys it, because of the program of the free feeding loans, not the not alcohol, then say, poultry side live, I mean, very for food sky, maybe near who's on back. Subsidy, about from a bastard to share price, about cost them, Magana and enjoy. About a chicken price, what you have about cost them so that, and no chicken price, the customer. We would no more be importing $375 million worth of chicken into this country. I don't know. That is not cancel. I don't cancel that. And maybe a work for me now. and maybe no moon yet to Banyano, and maybe no more good speakers for the piano, to be a corona, or we never get to buy it, and then you see the country divine again.
I'm for Boris Johnson. So, friend, be a join the discussion now. I Akoma 87.9 FM. We did a Aduanaba Kofi Asante. From Monday, Enra Benina, me dim komobia, ebi man tiasie. Na Kofi Asante, na ya ha when he can some do. Na Kofi Asante na sesi ade, who agenda. Na me can some say, yentwe ye na sabe. Ye wo kremu anyansafo anim die wo ma dwim wo betimi aboabo adwuma. Na ye te kremu ma planting for food and jobs. Ene abrobo ye to bag ba 6 million. Poultry farmers is from a Juada or Matuomo Nkukonkosuyem. All because ye no program for Mankuko. Boris B, one of Ghana's finest. A bank kukonim just a farming ankasa in terms of animals and birds. Really na Ghana ha ultimately Boris B a film. And revelations or they maying how they are suffocating. A case of forget that I say, one more me eti. I will do many. Ya kokani say ya. Pabanani tintan. No be na no cancer blue. Na Kofi Asante na who agenda. And so agenda ekwaso no ede papa. The ordinary person look at ideas about Boris B. Edeba say agric minister. Niema wait. A simple anka we ya ebebo amagana. Etimi akonanim. And so politics inti. Will be agenda nti o kaka ya manka. Musimu kosia enti anapai from Aduanaba kosia o kwa kota.
What is the kosia parliamentary select committee?
Yes.
For one, now what's the issues about the issues you know in somewhat as a few after a year. I am paying for the politics.
Oh, okay.
The Kofi to catch you say. Na Ghana from someone is deal PNT the yepa. So Kofi wa agenda dia me Boris be so am Canada ho am nam no. This wa agenda na.
Say Enra me can Mr. President now for di matemwa Kofi Asante wa agenda.
You see e mo be accept dia say na at the bank kwa Kufuado. E mo be accept dia say e be one I'm going to a big legacy at all. You will be a 7 year. You see, and then the other couple here and a good patriotic citizen. You're on mind back. If you say, come on, you got Muhammad to the side. Possible was kind, when you want to use. So now the down for year back, it's still to kill a year. But I didn't, the beer that was 1 pound to what? A free talk. And you're far more, why may the book? If you make a choice, say. You will be a what and you will be a more you
yeah.
You will be a third year and say, when you want some a to me, Papa back. I'm going to cut now with the sword, who's my achievement. Get that to be ye. And let me both be here. Can you call Parliament? Something that was the first time I saw him.
Okay. Okay.
I see, when I did my presentation, so I don't know what I don't know what I didn't give any briefing space.
Who got to Erikopoku Hobby?
Erikopoku was sitting there.
Okay.
The chairman of the committee of self-report.
Yeah.
Honorable. He was sitting there. Let me angry. And they were all so happy with my presentation. Listen to me, brother. Something he can't say this. Was to wait here. Let's not play politics in it. I was very happy when he made that statement. But let's not play politics in this one. Because we have to help for, the government agenda to support this wearing for food and jobs and everything to thrive. What's that? And see a
Boris B. One of the members of the Parliamentary Select Committee. Yanen peninform you need come but first on the blog Ora Erikopoku question for South Member of Parliament, former regional minister, and we call the minority, one the chairman, the ranking member for the Agric Select Committee. Another Erikopoku ana pen watching my kwaba Akoma FM. We are member, right?
Yeah.
Good. Ranking member of the committee. One more day, a portrait family woman send the 2 minutes. I have found a motimi I escalated do not. Montia see what the Omokayana anything.
Kofi baby can better was na machia with food now. And the kind of yeah parliamentary select committee no. Then you 2 years after Poultry Farmers Association no.
Okay.
Any or other stakeholders what that sector no say. Yeah, yeah, no. Yancha any you pay. Omo me nsia na omo people parliamentary select committee no. Na ye wu kwan be fa so a ye nyina betumi akabie na ye tumi solve problems na wo. Na go bi no mu chia no. Omo nsem no utia
Akoma FM.
na we objective pa e ya ro hosem. Omo say omo ya de pa kwa ye wu say. Be to aba ma obi se oni omanpanyina. Oman no tutu ye no nko na e. Ankran kontuma a wo mo ye no. Eno wani mo nyam nyina omanpanyin na ye. Enti ankran kontuma a wo ye no, se be ya. This is what safety atmosphere ye conducive. Enabling environment na ma businesses no up for years. Na ma nyuma ba. Na sika bank of obodom. Ni abo aba so say oba ye no, oba mu aye. Now we men ade anyame de kire ye kese ba ko pa ye agriculture. A poultry e ka ho bi. Obi wo man mu say na ye ka poultry market ye wo Ghana. Eye nkopa ye ka free amanone ebe wi no man mu. Papa ayi you make young no come ayi papa me produce Ghana.
Exactly.
Enti enka wo say Ghana for ye tie na ye wi anka be boy more no. Anu tie ye no he ya no. Enka wo say no mom na ye wi. Na so ni on be ka free amanone be ba no. What did they do ha? Ya fa kire tax o. Enso di be tu jomu no. Na ne die no eya your fortune dey bi an ha no. All because aban fa na ni nko. Enche pan de fa so a ye be boa ama mo djuma na tinye nyiri ama cost of production na kofo mama wo mo sanye be ya wo mo be djomu a eno e papa no e be papa kakra ma manfo atia to no mo tia babu se nipa ateti ni mo tia keti over $1 million ama tika bo me mama ye ho atoye na Kofi I'm putting it for record na na sanko akufo ado man be dia kunya no as my notice spokesperson on agriculture me who one policy intervention by my year. So they were 40 farmers over Ghana. I haven't seen it. Now they have this as here and say, I want the policy by a friend of planting for food and job. Kofi all over the country. I buy also some achievements that you pan over agricultural sector and you're planting for food and job and the upper. Over Kaya, somewhere February March, the president of the Republic of Ghana, of our parliament, I'm going to actually say, Ghana, you produce a grow apple so. Ama ese ya gura ye die no ye nya bro so kura magana ye for to a broken neighboring country
Akoma FM.
o man state of the nation affairs and what they betu ye ni and was it practice for food and jobs and ama agro na wa bin say people say the point so be yanka agro ema o man yimu ku ye ye debate me ya give say there be no fair na the man ka no agro no mu sa obi say fear no ka say just on human 1 month after President Akufo the presentation said a Buraguma year for him. Ghana short to Brian Yahushia any. The year Bruno, the year to Ghana the year. I'm on for cocktail free, I'm on Lydia back. And the board they change the Indian Hamel. And he said the oil fortune. Now so Coton Libya, never word in it. It's never the cost of production. I got a crack. Obebiano, Nakopana Wakotono, Otoa,
Akoma FM.
Power more a young Cotiano. Now, what the 5 feet cost me there can go to the other. What the Cotiano now, young talk. Cotiano so the good work at Crabia, next day. It won't come in fact. I'm not going to say, Obi a wɔn nkokɔ ni bi no, aduane a wɔnya ma nkokɔ ni bi no, wɔde ahometia no atɔn nkokɔ no saa. Kɔfɔ a wɔbɔ aduane no ayi wɔn adi. I mean, situation a ti sɛ yie. Ɔman bi ɛwɔ ne sɛ yia, tɔman no bɛyɛ sɛɛ no no. Na Kofi deɛ ɛyɛ ahometi sɛm koraa ne sɛ, lɔsɔ pɛn, ɛna yɛyɛ national food buffer stock company ni yɛyɛ. 2012, ɛna Ghana aban de 15 million Ghana cedis ɛde hyɛ sɛ ɔmo fa nyɛ ɔmo operation. Na botaeɛ a yɛde yɛ buffer stock no ɛyɛ ahodoɔ mmienu. Baako n sɛ buffer stock no ɔbɛbɛ dwom.
Akoma FM.
Ɔgusu grains no ɛburo ɛmo na ɛbɔ so a ne boɔ no yɛ fofofo no a buffer stock mmerɛ dwom yi na wɔntɔ excess produce no deɛ aboro demand no ɔntɔ na ɔmfa nkɔ fie. Nneɛma ɛboɔ no nyina sɛdeɛ ɛbɛyɛ akuafoɔ ho nkyere wɔn mo sɛdeɛ ɛbɛyɛ a wɔn a ɛtɔ akɔbie nso ho nkyere wɔn mo. Na eduru onyabrɛ no a ɛburo ho ayɛ den no a buffer stock foɔ no wɔn nkɔnyi deɛ wɔn tɔ fie yɛ no ɛmfa mmerɛ dwom na ɛma ɛbuobuo no ɛnyɛ fo sɛdeɛ ɛbɛyɛ a wɔn a ɛtɔ ho nkyere wɔn mo na wɔn nso a ɛtɔ nso ho nkyere wɔn mo. Ebi saa abɛrɛ yi duru yɛ no a buo no sɔɔso no parliamentary select committee yɛ fɛ buffer stock sɛ wɔmɛka sɛ ɛburo a mɔta fie yɛ sɛn a ɛnam de bɛ dwom a ebetia ma pɔtɛfo ɛnyɛ die na ebe stabilize ɛbuo no ama amanfoɔ ho atɔ ɔmo. Kofi Ghana ni 1 grain of maize a yɛafɛ fie against emergency.
Are you sure, Orere Kopoku?
I'm telling you for a fact. You need 1 grain of maize a Ghana buying after fie against emergency.
And your brother Baba bebrebe na ne yɛde bi kwa ama na ne na wai.
I was in it, that is the person. And the buffer stock, you are saying, they say commercial activities in Kwan Omoye. I'm on the power. Not almost to be after so. No matter, I'm a company. No matter. Then you say, I have business in Omoye. And so, buffer stock, there. And they're not service-oriented entity. But they say, when we say, I'm going to gain transparency against emergencies, you know. They say, I'm going to show you, know. I'm going to be by your market. And what we're going to say, just a Ghana, you can cut a bruba. Now, they don't cut a bruba there. And you know, just abandon them. A player was abandoned to say, what's the comment? And then when you stop or cut a bruba about this, now it's me. And the other man, what one of my what I have given, was not for anything. Maybe they are excellent. None of what I have done it. No man could see I have done it. Now I have put it in. And what we are saying is that there was as a matter of urgency. About them, never take the car. What didn't take a bro, any of the number more. Now you're subsidizing. Now you're protecting a new man. You want our portrait of the canon. And yes, the effect, you know, they can see if you are coming in here and say, you're Minister of Food Agriculture. That Ryan change. Now, young war, I'm not saying I want yet. Any other also, young Antonio Giant talk against the yard. And you may need Yano. You don't have bail out at Yama, the Africano, my woman so, everyone at all.
Na akoto mo frɛ no waba Dr. Free.
No, yeah, committee now, request. You say this one.
Okay.
Within the week, you don't have honorable minister. Apple so by next week, you know, none you will be you know, at the committee level. The committee level now, or delay at we are going to take him to the floor. On that sector. We file an agent to that effect.
Na
indoor discussion.
Okay. Now we told the fertilizer subsidy a car and the total cost of about 940 million cedis. I might 250 million. Emma, I might also the car about 680 million cedis. Is that right?
Kofi, right. Minister of Africa, of the President of Food, they see a struggle for survival. Because the letter, contractors now, almost contracted woman. So I'm going to fertilizer now. On the last year. Last year, the Abaya did the contractors. What the Akoma for and we have half of the price. I buy half, you know, So TSS wa obeti atia contractors ne ka. Ebesi me no aban timi ntia. Anya sisi foforo nso du ho. O se fertilizer me dey eba. Contractors no say, "Anya mu ntia ka. Na enko pa foforo no so nya dey emra." Jada ni yenti ntia. Ebe tia ko foforo aba. E dey say ya short of fertilizer. E do come not wa sabre no ma. Ebe chance e bia ni o ma na. Say ya sabre sector dey say dey bia question. Fertilizer me bia am come.
Yeah.
Ba mo no. Because thousands of people know move baby, I said the land. Maybe I want to have the land of the wine. You know, but the answer for me is piano. And the minister man Kasa, minister man Kasa, I can say, nothing for food. They see how there or Sagi and San was survival, with young for me, for that, our life support.
The last time all Kasa in a process, now quite say, one of the wire not from the but finance ministry, no, and you're ready to say the money scar. So I understand the number one.
Some minister there, or no, sector minister, how we implement the policy, but only to care what me. At the end of the day, the higher budget, get my provision, say, I feel we educated the more higher planting for food and jobs. We're not doing job leader for fertilizer. It is on your food and what we did here last year, coming. On the time you get the moment when you're being so a day, at your mom. If you come to today when you're don't forget, say, at the Anibian also, come now. In the year when you're a thousand second, you have to want to be a merchant. They say, I can't, not that I can't, Ubiano, and I will go who is here. If you, I put them here, I think, I probably promise no, I'm a call.
Yeah.
Hey, the name, Obedience, or mine no come out with a picture package. I said, you're brain out, no. Now you did barely almost out. Then they are, I don't know, as we are day about because come that the contribution, as well. I mean, a sector, they are the initial power. The human I did a back, so that the mind is here, and that one will be a why day at all. So I was saying, about the call. That's why some of you see, but you hear me, I know what them. Now you say, I can also say, yeah, agree, better, yeah, agree. Now I see the cost from your this guy, then we do that.
As we speak, Aduada Kosuane already dokono ne ade ade nyina abo okosoro. Nkosua nso ye ba ne aba betum and then brew back back be 6 million. You think sir we cannot do anything than say just your tumana?
Come to see, I'm saying, the entire didn't two moon about say. A brona walk on you, leave you Ghana. You have got tell bro never, a brona boy. If you boy, then obviously, I so they over produce the Yakoton. None your mother could produce the boy as well. I was flat. Over produce the narcotics or Proboca. So let me ask you, Phobia. This are buying them not a subsidized at the end of the war. Not all you
Exactly.
I buy the piano money be my woman. Young, I want to look on the top of my little subsidy. The subsidy be a memoria, and your only choice. So that is in the one. I'm sorry, in the one. I'm sure how. If you have it, while raising the one, I could put a young gun, how I raise the one. Yet the Akoma beauty, I'm an near bar. In terms of quality, and matching Ghana, I am inferior to the producer of Ghana. In terms of quality. Yet didn't do, one would be you did buy him. So do you mean?
It's opa.
I buy a four.
Okay.
Young man for Tommy Diano. Not Ghana for expenditure on that and Kukono. They can see jobs. Oh, baby, I got to go free by home through. May I at the end here, they were high and top. Now you college mania. Or may say I'm higher home. Because a study said the Abeno man will be ano. Was it to be job. MOD. It will be a young couple when the 40 from a viewer, China. One only go for the atom of the Abra Aberton. If you want to channel, a creative job for China. Not Ghana have the energy of a try, a very creative job for Anno. Look for her and talk. Never so bad also. Now they are for your work for Sacrano.
Yeah. COVID ba ye ni esenkaja ye ni kosua emeboa ma COVID nyina kra no ye nya ahoden sonko and anyway was a friend wa join here ni aha ya Akoma 87.9 FM and way back from Enrajuada and may take it up the concerns of your farmers But then a lot of people bashing up Kofi Asante, then. Yeah, the Boris B, one of the tycoons, the bar farming mu, Asante Mountain, or my gun, Kokopa, or Pibiaria, or call Boris B, where Honor being the best. And I'm going to say decision and Abani say from a Jordan Kushabuina, Eba Kosra. As a result of the challenging situation, almost from at the various sectors at home. Na Wamoko Parliamentary Select Committee and one of the ranking member for the committee, right, Kupuku, and I know aiding common. Now we're trying to get in touch with Anshri from the majority side, and so yet me understanding, but Anshri to me five. But Boris B, that's why is on the line. Yeah, Minia, Minia. Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Now, and your politics because the woman you manage I find crime affected the cassette. And if you are very power to Tiana.
Yeah.
Then cancel no politics that no collapse.
Yeah.
Only the second chair will be
of course.
If you are no more praise, you have to say will be there immediately or very respondable. Nama or FBI. But also what my
no, you are right.
Yeah. Now I'm trying to say. Emuti na yaka ye kan say ye twa ban na gina so so ba ya ban na ye de also ye ama wo mo ho ye dey ato wo ho ko no ke dika kakra ko se ho na ye timi ama wo mo nyuma no do na timi gina ye bi ba wa tuma ni na sha tuma ni na ko ni se obro no enye port ko no kwa na ebi o eye the major staple in Ghana what kind of no what can
Coco
banku
bibia
Obi santi omani nyina da afati wo mo. Eti abra ma yeka no. Afati sa dupu ni nyina. So enye adwuma ketua ene yeka ho asem no. Eti jeni e wo se aban ba out. Now saying 2018. Ghana Cocoa Board. Omo to Cocoa no. Omo boka. Cocoa boka. Aban ma 176 million Ghana cedis. So this is every year the support to Cocoa sector no. So they are into because now a collapse 2017 almost boka 161.2 million. 2018 78.4 million. Now by people can far 176 million at the same. So they are sector no emu. Yeah, you be and the sector Oko fishes are. Previous before Yadima or a person for so running time. About subsidized payment. Yes, you have. Your money for now, about for it, you have to fish one, and they have to our name. What is that? And never be a could your cow market. Where they are now, they are intervening. Such a no other
good. That is very
serious. It's we have me. We have me. Now, the wow, mine. Now, you not buying who the need for it. Now, yeah. That's what more mine is really. I never in the hospital. Not answer also good.
Okay, Aurora Kapokujana, Sumamina, Mene Boris B. Mimi San say a mobile Bestia Greek minister here. Be another good news. Boris B. Mobile train Nanka Greek minister committee net Tiena be an intervention you all and Menuya and answer to Muni de Yabano.
Rogovi. I was saying near Erikopoku or your MP.
Exactly.
I've been almost there, Smame Kano. And then if you comment from Dr. Boris B. to be what?
A Mefro prophet.
From the MP chicken MP.
Chicken MP.
Because they need anything to call them the MP.
You are right. You are right.
You won't cook the gun and cook.
And there you are right.
I know, the box of chicken, Akoma, no one chairman.
I see.
On Coca Ghana, Coca BBC, or chicken. In fact, to my new presentation of opinion, I saw him that he was nodding his head. No,
political science lecturer was saying major decisions of government in the kingdom more unpopular. Okay, will be unjust. And they had a lot of political science and lecturer dissenting opinions on that. But everyone in there, I'm just watching one thing, and you have to know the amount. From what Adam Parry has been named as the next acting IGP. My uncle so na yene a security inspector, chief inspector, retired Michael Asamwa. Any common appreciation. In fact, he's a very competent enough. Sir, yebeboa ne discuss sa enkomo yi. Abanika say ya mo achemo akwa abade ba Akoma FM. Ya fra me Kofi Asante bi bia bokọ de.
Na bokọ nyame adom.
Yeah, that's it. And Idiamu Ora Dampare, I think you've been a police officer. May I right?
Yeah.
Good. And
I was in it for almost about 4 decades.
Oh, 4 decades. It was over 40 years now.
Yeah.
And you rose to the rank of chief inspector. And Ora Dampare, the youngest IGP, you're appointing. Can you tell us the amount for as expectation no abasro man for any just we at least the president has done one of the best of appointment. Why am mama for any perception no any trust or damparimu from where you sit as a police officer?
And for
Joy FM,
any Akoma for now and I want to say a constitutional mandate here, President will be himself on any appointing authority, ultimate appointing IGP in consultation with Council of State in a police council. See, we're making a choice. Now, you share a potential background and say, if you are going to take him, he's traveled through the mail out himself from Consabono or YB. We share he's an academician and a tactician. Since your bad I'm saying, no modern bonnet, research is creating a lot of units here. System. See, in the meantime, the never can say he's made the right choice.
In the meantime, the other can say we're making the right choice. Now, opening, young share a briar dream one Ghana or share a woodie, you could wear to her, police for nan Casacra, you could be no, and I don't pay Fiasa Sokore, police nearby, you couldn't what done came. Sanyama way na Kabomwa. A dear in a damn parent, yes, any must say, a chat to Babayan and Menuya, not Ghana for Gidi, a war, bamboo.
Ahana, I'm sure discussions will be any other people of some other thinking, still say, Anka Water will be more robust. Anka a crime to do a country and uncle me at a shamanti. Uncle Pina and Como expression Anka will be say, well, Kofi watching Anka Bianca, or a right person for this moment. But who are done will be he's soft spoken on Casepi, but and you'll be on Casabia and Rebecca say better fight although also he makes good thinking yeah in terms of but me people prefer some Kufubachi because we're very dynamic. Now his known nonsensical attitude could have helped. And it appears criminals no it's true Kufubachi more. Yes, that's this what's your background of Mr. Dampare no so say and you know all the fit you apa abagum or ni lieutenant in terms of with good directions and good instructions, you know.
Yeah.
You can hold the tide, yeah.
When I Jumada order now war service muno.
Meaning you mother person, but you know he has not read at realms here or there a new
or ban
joining around 70s by 90s, you know. Now make a about
retirement.
About retirement 2020. I heard very little about him, but I know he's an academician. He's a self-made person. He's been through so many things in the service. I'm saying,
yes,
he's good. He's a good material in terms of academics.
Yes,
even practicality so because we be aware constable that they say, I call banker duties, I call bullion band duties, and many other duties in our COVID-19. Or you're going to take any part. But he's very soft-spoken. But it doesn't mean say he has any viewpoints or something.
A dear na means the same question being and when we are DNS a Dampare from 1st of August. Our baby take you over.
And Meniniano, he has come to occupy the position of IGP at a very crucial moment in Ghana's political history. We share near a Koso election style nominee tension. I work into Mr. High crime, being a very good research person, I'm sorry, with his Director General, you have to sit down and reassess policing in this contemporary times. Now, which means are big changes. Yeah, a better level to the challenges of the day. Now, sir, I take policing methods in Adinano. I'm talking it. Now, upper more modern methods are able to me as some of the type of high crime technology. You see, I will also expect to say, unlike his predecessors, the present government, now, why are very independent in what deliver because or also no work of another. Mama, when she says and change and man influence and the podcast pressure, they are now almost on your end very independent. Now, ultimately transform the Ghana Police Service. Now, you say, a very family, very formidable institution, Ghana Police expert.
What the kaka be sanka baby ye do die Kofi Boachi mom baya ada na Kofi Boachi.
Well, I know what you say no nonsense attitude oba kuma so wo mo be ye. Kofi Boachi we NDC no NPP we di senguna obata. And it was no one that said ye yi ne fi Asante region. We be that out by a particular say the unit for now or higher. Or how say you need national to do that in now with your 87.9. These are some of the things say and could do that in about or better in a quite any opinion. See, well, it's up to them. They are there. If you want to say on your right for the occasional, well, it's the president who has the mandate. We're making a choice. See, maybe your message say we should not put pressure or political pressure on this young Dampare. Very intelligent guy. Not only the final year. And so, but on a party chairman, and a boss, and your boss here. As they make it very ineffective. So, new so good to transform a institution. Ghana Police Service, yes.
IGP be about over here na shake ups some way we expected Dampare say Akofo Dampare say obey that immediate changes are ebetimi some sign of control be amanu CCA.
Oh, and naturally Oba sa the obey shake up. Oba obey shake up. Regional commanders in the he knows the materials that you need or the material you need to used to work.
To work, okay.
Different changes. I hate changes based on favoritism or something, but based on ethics of the work, you say, or better good materials or non behavior, so that you'll be able to transform the sunken image of the Ghana Police Service, as I'm putting it.
I'm for a friend who are joining any security chief inspector retired Michael Asamoah and Edin Komoya say ora Dampare Akofo or no and the president of the republic, His Excellency Nana Danko Akufo Addo did say Wamra now take over the position of IGP in an acting position pending say a substantive one. But of course, Ghana Sanate, at the Mount Actina, not just a year, maintaining one. Now, a home common a year. But then I was expecting a year free Dampare chain. Go Facebook page now send a question Ebreme. Now yentimin so enya a better interrogation over the subject. Now, Chief Inspector retired. Ghana security problem. Is it leadership? And I say Timemu Fonana, what problem?
Yeah, I want to say, and there you were indiscipline, societal indiscipline, a global. There was societal indiscipline. And now, political interference and so account, I best say, the image of our security institutions. Now, there is a problem of most of these security couples do not coordinate their activities. What is your security way? What is your security way? And at the unity, this is the time the security institutions should come together and coordinate their activities and fight the common enemy, high crime rate in the country, armed robbery, and the looming threat of terrorist attacks. Now, if you mother papa, at a very crucial moment here, we should need some very good and sharp director generals to work with them at the police headquarters. You should get very good regional commanders, good divisional commanders. Now, on say, little beer on leadership, any of the units can deliver and perform. They should be given certain mandates and rules and goals because there were crucial moments in crime prevention.
At the time, Ghana police, and Ghana police in Kwan, your security, a Muachaya NDC MPP, dear Nadam Paribetinia, over the evening.
Well, I make us say part of the crucial moments may can be. You shall not say polarization, it is hidden, but we, some of us know, and most Ghanaians know, the politicians created that problem. But I think we shouldn't look at this NDC MPP thing. He has come to serve the state. Until his allegiance should be to the state. Mecca will be your friend saying Donald Trump. I can be a will be few of his own to trust somebody.
Yeah.
It's military couples met and decided, say, Trump, we can't support you to go about this nonsense. We cannot support you to do this. We are not for a person using military nanka or any verdict, or your friend say a presidential, But they told him they can't help him to do that illegality. I wish Dan Parry could also be bold enough to also tell the president to say, Master Sana maybe a best Hadiama, behind him. Not only very independent, without any political person. It should not be used to attack political opponents or dissenting views, which will not make our democracy very likely. In every democracy, there's supposed to be dissenting views. Fine. If there's any discipline or law, you should not act.
Who is a political interference na essay Ghana Bambana?
Oh, yes, I know so can be about 60% or 70%.
About 60-70% of political interference.
Yes, because so called that the relation Europe in America here. Party leader went to me for phone Friday to say, and Kalani, you want my boys. Now you say my baby, you'll be exposed big time, I'm telling you. But it happens in Africa and typically in Ghana. I've been American. It's a political influence. About 60%, I'd say, our security institutions are very effective.
That is very, very interesting. Kofi, ask him, is he going to help the citizens of Ghana to take their freedom, life from the hands of robbers in Ghana? Okay. Obi question I obi san say ugidi say IGP awabey obetimi aboa ema enmenimu ya tututuo nipekum police fokum Ghana for ayekuye ni nyina eniama betimi asesa. I think maybe it's out there, but from where you sit oh bonny tofa na wahwe papa yi a we expectation ankasa.
Well, overall papa no share the background ni brawa bena Mr. Wafa Yamam. If all police service in Onimina, no so. Onimina.
Welcome. This is your favorite station. Stay tuned.
Watenase o, watenase. Aduanaba Kofi Asante Ennin. Bema wonsinsuo mansa na waham. Kotopumpuni a woda ya yama bo adenchem de ho santena kopubunu mu. Bobochichi a wofinsuo ase beka so adenchem awu a yenyi wachinie. Kankan ntamantu kodu ya bakanka ma yankari uni ya humuduro. Wonya bema a wote tatatata na odimirika ekoto tata ne tete wa wosi afiri tete. Bekoin a waji udi wa akono. Kofi se wo ko ba bia ma adenchi wanimu o. Ne bia no ananka ni bi dakwam. Anopa bosu agugu nusu ama ni timu aye nya. Aduana de hia wotuja. Etiketu eso da ye kese. Odoto kese a wase wadwunu. Abodwese na yemfamfimfim hunahuna wo. De omanfo akukuru ya wantumi no wotimi kukuru ye nanso eba se ye kukuru wa ankasa no yantumi yano nti ye de kuro yi mu nsam hye wa no se ka kire yen enne waka ma akoma atoye mo ne se bi oni muto no ono ne yade ni gina to no anu o ye ntu enne ye de Ghana akoma nyina hye wo nsa Kofi kura ne se kosua dandan ne se bofra kuma ne kusa ne se bode a ye de ato yaso se Ghana akoma bo a wonti ye bete watena se dia me yente dia koso wo Ghana akoma mu Kofi Kasa.
Welcome. This is your favorite station. Stay tuned.
Yes, of course, I'm saying for my winner, Chemo Akwaba, High Akoma 87.9 FM. It is a Saturday morning, and now 24th day of the 7th month of the year 2021. Ghana, and this is the day the Lord has prepared. I'm watching some baby see a canning in our boom. Now, what's so me muna yetimin so the Ghana home come. And I can tell you, sir, a lot COVID-19 cases rising. 4 a year senior high schools, universities, Amsterdam Tech, and other ones in Asante region, and a COVID-19 cases, echo getting more than 100 cases in these various schools. Yabanyamre na fe yedi nkomo na ya hwe sade empanifo betimi aboa na ya pa no yie enso de akọ. Anti na no pani ya ka kiro nyina no se ba bibiara wo mask up. The COVID is real. Don't joke. Now what is special prosecutor? The interviews and everything. Maybe assess the competency of Kisia Jabin. I don't know who biases, but I believe sir you have a trust in him or not. But freedom is coming. Yenim sir, the president and the MPP over the weekend saw left small scale mining banner a was for going back and on pay Benyamret interrogated and all that president and the planner of one and Hoka said that be only this national security ministry and a bit of some of the details kind of for attack of PM and the details were very revealing. So now I share the health minister Kokwajama menu. All that and more. Mahmoud Kabari, a communication rights, communications the team member of the NDC in Asante region, Dr. Samuel Free, and Michael is Mose, Shares constituency secretary. Happening for Wofia. Mahmoud Kabari Akwaba, Bema Bibi Abokodian.
Adam Senior.
Good. I believe the party and everybody in so fine.
Nyamiodum NDC so kakrakra. Say enyakura ndise PD. Divine selection so nya power.
Na fire.
Fire na o say dia seda manyankopon.
That is very interesting. Atefa motie yen so me mamu nyina akwa aba obekọ your Facebook page na no pay na ewa Akoma 87.9 FM. You share the video, you like the page na do comment at the tour. Me pese in the next few minutes, the Deputy Regional Health Director, Dr. Roxana J. Edin Komo on COVID. Said your cases, AC echo. In that, just brief. Yentie na fiyen started on COVID. What are we not doing right? Our Asante region. The whole Ghana, yet or so second, we Greater Accra, if you are. And it's very, very, very scary. Yentie, but in that, you were the Kumasi High School, Kumasi girls, and Kuala Dishaf over the weekend. We saw Kofi or more Yamo Manko. Now, supposedly police and military storming campus. If you know, alleged say Yabo or more, okay, on Facebook page, you get some of the videos and that images are on Sabitimiaka. But Yentie Dr. Roxana J. Deputy Regional Public Health Director. Ochichimu, how bad COVID is getting our region. Directorate our Asante region. The Deputy Director at the Regional Public Health. Dr.
Backwards now, so now a month for the donor and to the Gumi no abe. You know, the more picture from there last 5 weeks. Boba crack, she 39 Santimemwa, never for the 3. Last 2 weeks, here were 350. Just last week, there were 491. And to say a pimpen so quankasa.
Now, Doctor, what have gone wrong? Wrong specifically Asante region. The ama yet see within 13 days, any part 10, and they would say almost say a day be a people who most of the Krataba Krasama students grab and some Kofi. Yet Nipayam Sino.
Niako wrong the adults, medical, you don't say a war. A variant, yeah, or efficient. Delta variant, but Asante Memo, yes, sequencing and confirm. But anyone want the idea be clear. And you say because Accra, a company be Accra, me Asante Memo, and the Kumasi 30 minutes, 29, we fancy be at an entry de Biano. Anyone wants variant na aba. Indeed, on a general, efficient variant, or no, the more remy. Ye di honso ya to ejeje mu ewo preventive protocols no say social distance ye ka say mema ye yi kese e party me ade ye nhye mask ye ho ensa ye tugu ye e na afi so no ne sendi wo vaccine abade na so no the distribution across the world is not equitable nyesika wo na woni vaccine ebi ni ho. Anti vaccination so a yenya ema yenti wo nipa bebre ma ne ndu da head immunity. Sa factors we nya kabom. Ma menka say ne ekura yen sema yen ye ho control any protocols no. E no so ye tugu ya. It is a variant ya wa be ya ne ho erem no. This is say e no na e sharp ye e grade although the basic sequence ya confirm no Asante Memo. These are some of the factors are man ye because mentioning these protocols na yen fanye man tin ma yen hu na yen
Sa we echewa die na ye and then the normal COVID no different we ebu a ye di kan kra bopane ne bi abako bu a wabopane ne bi bi ebetmenya na
pane no so wabo me ni kra na akonya wo ho se yare betmenya ma menche binze yade no answer na virus le ba wo no ise uni obi akofunu fu a ipa no yade ni bi pane no eye ensiachi ba and second line defense in case yade ne ba wo so a na enu na die kun semia ema wonyare ana sema yade ni enye den enti yente pane na se ebo pane enchese you can't get the infection. Infection will be ya. Only be bomb pulling no yare ni do the mouth. The panel now what one day getting infection is not the issue. Panel a preventive disease. Why about faster born by your infection? The first line defense. Any protocols no. And it's what about panel and just say you mask nante. If I may say, so we are sana say when me hygiene protocols next one. Offer idea na. Ebi ayade de onyare ba ehye wo hu ba wo hye obi ono wo pane ni bi na yade ne kɔ ne ho obetuma yade ma na wu nti eno ni danger wo ho say obo pane a enka ma wo pane nti no e say no metina ye bi a mepɛ metina akɔ yie akɔ ye ne a mepɛ ana say mebo ayidata sɛ nea ye hu ne nanten no
yes one hour back on the crowd near ya do no crass say no cry area you are exposed to it more.
Oh, what back one do and say offer immunization so what say be a say 2 doses or dia wo de back one even after 6 months 1 year unya second dose na it stay effective several years on wo kwa na enye hwe and say And it was back one. I mean, it is well and good. We are getting additional vaccines to give you the second dose. But mentioning to say, Tamiano does not protect you against infection. A man for now we clear. Infection, you're born who binds the infection, no. Your protocols, no. Mammy, you say, so we see fear, auto war found. What instigate to a canano. One of to prevent, say, we been putting your coin emblem easily. Na bia wabedi unya onya kwan dem one so security case wo ho ntino ebe tumi nipa ne nya kwan mema na se obeba mu kwa na ebe che enu so mbem kwa na bia police for ne ade aba enti sawo ya meken any protocols to keep off say bia nipa ne pombem protocols to keep off the infection it's the one keep putting off by the protocols na eba also bia then no any no nobody PhD, but why don't you prevent the exposure?
Is it that serious? Asante region, third wave that ebe.
In fact, we are preparing to call. We are not in the third wave, but we are inching towards it, and it's very serious because every week we are cases in the ecosystem. And I make the chance for nigga. Can I show a graph now? I step. A week beyond a move. So I'm a guy. I think it's 9, never 45. Near co. We do 130, 200, 350. Near Pejasa, I say last week you have 491. This week so amount for area now. One more than one area. One more bar as a number there. And the situation in here at the I mean, a pleasant at all. And
Wow. And sa we no mo say a dangerous pa can wa bi agra. So we no is simple.
We no nanu a ram chain COVID no di kan by na ye hu say ye COVID virus no 45 variants na ababe Ghana.
Hey,
the virus is there.
But difference are 45.
Different since pandemic nature here no about 45 and Ghana yet sequence now almost eda.
Hey,
viruses no we no enya wa viruses almost no abribia omo dan omo. The Delta variant we are enya the last one. There will be a mutation, a different one will come. Now you want to say mutation be a bad, no banana no a change you free no mobile. Now maybe I did back on the protocols no. Say mutation there, then you know this listening now. And why don't we be a bit more committed? When you can now, it's me driving them never down. Now you never be a Emma, I say you didn't know. Unam koma and phobia, but a tree amount for a equatamando silently. OPM.
Now more health and pennyfoy and more munim say at ye. Yano ye ebo soroku chipas wo kremi. Ana muntu amofu.
Papa, a foot only dear, ye masana say, Midna, you are me, Aponya Menudin Commune. Meaning so what you did so a man 40. In the Abribia no muti, Naso Sono, a by enforcement that help for no, we are not enforcing. Enforcement is in the ambit of the law. You will pursue and if a poor way enforcement, you know. Tell you, me didn't share bank with Nedu, say, Obin Semas in China, a man who finds that. Now, may I say, me no make near that one mine. Now, Mount Phone to this one. I mean, Senumpoa, tell me, Mibia, the years I enforcement. We saw Senanako for being Obi police and what said, Uchanawana, where Yako. Public health is a science of society. Say, I am the Peculiar near 2 years, you bear with my boy and mobile. And the expert in my advice, no. Some society can say, you are limited in what you can do. I doubt if we decide to enforce say a Chia Bani idea, because It's a general disregard. And yeah, they be an said the over amount for working. But we expect that people should take cognizance to what is happening and then take care of themselves by doing all the things we are saying. Tano say different things so yeah, unya ba or Kofi kwana waye. But I watch about the jina wa otwa ho pe obeye senya ye hu no. Ko be ebi mu hu say bi police ni jina wa na wasema na sen kwa say ko bi so police for jina bonchan no more something different. COVID. Amount for pure police on say make COVID form a mask. Oh, and see, we shouldn't be that way. We should know what is at hand. Now, young this is what we have to do because the year be can no a boy. You share protocols now after Christmas now. We saw the impact. So you didn't ever from any energy, but we became complacent. So ya we say and not after them because we warned against that attitude. And that is what we are seeing now.
But Yanum was in reference to young political leaders Yahudu Kremu Ehuru woman nim said Yomo Yeno Mwa Chese Yehu said there be with ye abroso, but still not almost a year. Was there opportunity, a chance? Officially, Mochira said no, the Amuye, and Hunsun so ba, even the who beyond say, it be a more casa already so at the masses.
You may make a reference to any particular funeral, but even before 5 years, now there were several funerals, parties, people disregarding it. So it started from somewhere. I mean, I don't want to fix our eyes on some people, but we don't need to mount Vuvuzela as an Obiati. These engagements have been going on.
Okay.
And the last time the president spoke, one can say, the last time President Kasaya Memetian, one can also be in the mask. And when he speaks, it is law. So why have we gone back to I mean, in any way, so we from Kumo being Fumunga. So be a way in here. Society has to know what is good. And to once I ain't none yet canon. Nanka Yansono, Yenya, Ebia, Edimu. But if Yabeka and then we also go about doing Nyayaka, then we cannot achieve anything.
Now, let me tell you to Asante region. Areas bang and a man for careful. Areas bang na AI hotspots. I already cost
In fact, me area BM, we can say the hotspot a moving target. Every now and then, is a whole and is the entire Asante region. That's a hotspot. And everybody anywhere should be careful, should love themselves and take care of themselves.
Krata yehu ye mabo area bit so furu krum mabo area bit say the kwada so asokwa eno ye den a.
Yes, economy a hotspot in that, but semi American and just a home tino be a war Central East and I say wow Swamino said that. It's say the movement of people are fluid. Say be a meteoricum, not a hotspot more. Nothing restricts me from moving to Swami. And I say moving to a different place. So I say, if you come here, I don't want to do for you. Make sure we are. Maybe if you for you come here, then about first year one. Over there, be our name to the hand of the area. And you risk getting infected. And like I said, the hotspots keep on changing. We have emerging and re-emerging hotspots. And it is the entire region that is in this situation. We all need to act together, and then we can be able to defeat this virus.
Absafo Safena do afide na to ha high Akoma 87.9 FM bidi Aduanaba Kofi Asante, and of course this is Ghana Akoma. Yene Dr. Roxanne Michael Ej, Deputy Public Health Director for Asante region, and a yenya appreciation of the current situation of COVID area ekoso ewa Asante mantemu ekosoro and yanwe ya ebetimi ahadwen. Enti doctor no pay will be a wotie yen se sie Asante region COVID current case ankasa yesay
87.9.
Currently, it is still moving. To say, you receive last after near the various facilities. But I can speak for last week. You close books on that third week, 28. That week 28, you have 491 lab results are not confirmed positive.
Wow.
Compared to the previous week 27, here over 350. So it is increasing, and there is some more amount for not say near Kenya, we are bound to see figures maybe inching towards the thousands. But we need to speak blankly as possible because
More advice is a school for Kofi based on what? The intra.
It is all in line with measures to contain your baby. Every time I school for the Kofi, and the students also live in the society, and their actions and everything is just like when you all said anytime on the Kofi when they come to that confined space, classroom, boarding house, there is always an upstage.
Okay, we are Dr. Roxanne J, or your Deputy Public Health Director for Asante region. We share videos, the images kakrana we share. Kumasi Girls Senior High School, the supposed the beatings and assault. Nankwala no allege on them at the time say police and some group of a few military men ekopie ho omo yeso bekofie no and I will share CCA on our Facebook page on Akoma 87.9 FM your team ekoho, and we had a thorough discussions on that no and I nkwala ni bi edin komo no Kabore ewa in regional NDC communication team member, and of course it's a message so constituency secretary for the MPP. It's a sir also be able to good. Yeah, they're right. Yes. Now, come on, young share COVID infrastructure. What are we not doing right? Yeah, baby, do everything appears say yes, start to be.
Right, thank you very much, Senior. Yedika me amo wambaso wodumaso amudibwa magana titiri ya santimantam.
Sure.
Na yenche ya tifo ni for all over the globe. I think hadi efficacy ope asema kachire nyame asedi mpeni kana wakamba. Two person in Ghana for so meeting about Akoma.
That is the
Ghana Akoma. Thank you very much for the opportunity. It's a pleasure meeting you for the first time. So
I see.
I'm using this opportunity to console and send my heartfelt condolences to Ghana for Titiru NDC4.
Okay.
And the former President J. Mills Ephraim. Say, and then 24th July, exactly a few years, 3 years as of mine. It was a big blow. Now I think that we've traveled with time. The Kenyan and Sebabia. Ulumai asumwie hine will be an yankupon. You should continue to keep him safe, keep him resting in the bosom of the Lord. Na yenim say wo de da nyina yabam.
Sure.
One day we will all meet. Senior, no cry a woman say COVID. The ama yebedu bebe yedunde is leadership.
Oh, leadership.
Leadership. Because when the district health director no Kasano,
He is a regional deputy public
regional,
health.
sorry, yes. Almost all the point say we have disregarded the outlined protocols for a chassis and nanke no neboa ama yedi yade no sunkunim na di nti a metwin leadership abam and say kiakra say Ghana ha na ye wa ba sunku bi a yetumi di botachi yetumi mfa moba and this is not the first time America kai to esel mufo say look it's important say ode mraba saa mra no na mmeboa ye ma yade akwadi ewu yendi ne so nkunim Samra no etimi stop even to extent say nyame akwa nyame nipa asofo a omkoye odima mpa ya ma my Ghana etimi stop from holding church service.
Akoma FM.
Then what is political activity important in this fight? But even at the time ani echi asofo say omu bi omu party because omu kwa parliamentary primaries. I'm telling you the genesis of the leadership American was. And omu ko buy enyina di anu tum central for mu nyina mo bo matia na ombe pa acho nyina ya to anamo ba ku mienu miensa a obeka say Africa had here nanke ya je samba I think say it came as low as 200 thereabout prekope yes say o say ye yansan koji ani at the time yes say already the Christ embassy Accra omo koye program of fantasy dome and then omo da so jina court the same period yes say me na answer John Afrim I was Accra would know Enunti can NPP ma. And the most dangerous aspect of it is that and the NPP is hiding behind funerals to do political internal campaigns. Now, we in Centroni, who the course so I was Accra would know. Say, yeah, no be free if you cry, come and someone say, oh, me na say John dear, na minimum no. When the papa say ni actually when you are the kakrani abujan fam nsesam konwa enkenye problem o nimo hon yakwa gada nipa so won be heli onipa dese ena nipa kanfo eso nipa boche onipa bodompi the question the fundamental question is say wonu a omo hihye mra no a omo ankasa anim kurotwa mansa tuamu no ombu mra no so no. Now what was the expectation of the attitude of the citizen?
7.9.
Because I'm right behind social gathering. I'm right a banner say I'm funny papa won't pay you. And you make a warrant I'm here. And your referendum na Ghana for what you're doing. Eh, your man penny and not done what you've done. Your man is hard to me executive instrument. My Asia. But that was the same president. The party general secretary former ohwe mukura onne ye no ho abusuapeni wurampumasi edua waji adwa na observe an illegality against his own words and his own events and laws.
Akoma FM.
And then that was an unfortunate situation now. We can't take leadership out of this. Secondly, leadership. You've got sports ministry senior. In about ending the just ended Ghana Premier League. Said yes, ministry no esifa any FA no sifa handle certain games, It was bad.
Okay.
A game between Accra Hasofo and then Asante Koto. Nipa boche nkwa to extend say ebimu kobu gate. Even with military and then police crowd presence, Nipa timia can for swap for swap gate the stadium because they want to watch the game. Actually, say the Ministry of Youth and Sports, the FA, did not also help us enough because quota by a certain percentage even that you couldn't manage it proper. And Jabra now man for account for so na yam pini hey kwa ye ba ye twibu mu me ma batie twa batie fifire kan fifire na COVID atukayana. So that's still leadership. Less than a month. Let me call you
Okay.
Now, I'm saying, Kushia, Yenua Gabi, Asaroch Dako, ne father,
Yeah.
Senior, Uyembe show. Even MPP Eastern Region. One young call rally nya those numbers. They said Omunya no gabi papa yase. And ya organizing crowd. They said you organize almost a crow no. And why about me say. And I just say 1 year campaign.
You don't mean it.
That's true. They said the course was a crowd no. It's even half what happened in Kuforidia. Now when you know, you say everybody for himself, God for us all. Yam fan say yam penny for no na, and kuomobu omani egu niyama so. But me because me hey, I understand. Send ne manu de sumuna sunyami pangu. But if Vice President Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, when you COVID, the way you be treating no here no, your finance minister or mindful to some for Ken of Rata Yabi. Hebabi I don't call ye. Ebi anami mabusuya.
Also no one
Yes. Say no the sickle so my sickle, but I'm trying to make a point. Say class now no.
I agree with you.
They will have better health attention than me and me free. Sabi we am for fie and I'm free kuya bi ase. Oh papa kuya beti when you COVID na ebi obewu a. Na wewu. Ti na nke hu be hia so man no. Ya fa yes health and then security in terms of health. But me sure, say idea a discouraging Ghana for one is because they believe in leadership. And if you sakra no buy media for assuring penny for Ghana for the man too. So now the Oko supervisor was sakra no nya the pa. Now be here no be boa ma COVID no asia tretre yentimi to enter. The advisor, the presidential advisor on health. Because I had a convincing Ghanaian for say COVID plan ho. The presidential advisor on health. About Montibe catch the Ghana for say. And Kofi of course sakra no nyina no obi ani ho COVID at no.
Akoma
And COVID are affecting after the funeral. Question na ye bisa no say. Is it because your team running individual tests? Obi of course e do ye bia yakochi na kwa any test na papa no be cancel asem no. And answer Ghana has say ukwa ye nko ade a COVID ntimi yo. And those who have been given the resources, those who have the available data, one be catch say ukwa ye a COVID ntimi yo because the course don dey buy no. Ebi no obi a what motivates me to restrict people from grazing ebia the funeral right means me here will be important. And until that is the genesis of the whole thing. It's a leadership. Because and penny said you would actually usua the odi anim nante. The more mudi anim no na mo shamra penny say woni mumra say we mumra. One must say gross disregard for your own laws there. Then the citizens have every right to believe. Say, ade kra ye ku ntokwa say e wo ho no. Ye penifo say eni ho. And to this point, they may conclude with the available evidence and chronicle of events I seen say the actually nebiano.
Akoma
Wo bi e ba nebiano. Ya de no said na ho odin be koso nebiano. It is because of the posture, the attitude, and in the penny for a year into the Yababedu Babiadu. I say, Ghana for say a chia na emui. You see, Nipa 490 something, me tea papa, and I see Asante man to one and me pacho and Kokaho and my young 500. It is costly to buy oxygen. It is costly to be in ICU. It is costly to lose your loved one than to buy a 1 Ghana cedis nose mask. All the other social protocols say ye COVID protocols, say ye physically distancing ourselves. Say ye nipa bebre because of mampenia ye bintino. The health of every country is the wealth of that country.
Ahmad Kabore, regional NDC communication team officer. Isa.
Yeah, Kofi.
Then I might do baby. Yes,
Yo, Kofi. Mame fa okwan so na menchia atifo na Asante Ghana. Ne NPP mpanimfo mo Asante mo ha no nyinara. Mame nko makache Ishaesu constituency na menchia party mpanimfo so omo ewo ho.
Okay.
Na Kofi so unim bulldozer minister.
Regional minister.
Debbie, the minister of energy.
Okay. Matthew.
Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempe. Also, and then Ojaba Subodi.
Sure. For the second time.
For sure. And Oshe Papano, Oko Education Ministry. Also, for the first time, Utmima certain level of stability. Eba Education Ministry. The Biana Mikasa, so I heard the history of Education Ministry. Even Rollins Granat. That time near say military ruler. Ubekaya, there were so many ministers omen to me and survive that ministry. Ubekaya Mame Joyce Ubekaya Ura Harisoya cried them so that 3 minutes. Ubekaya Spiogabra. You see, 1 ministry.
No, was the deputy.
No, he later became
a substantive.
Utum say horse because a who say honor intellectuals in the
No, I had your own to even before time, bro. I don't think so. Be
David, Milson's Muhammad time. Utum say JS Anan Mo ne wa home na better than moi. And to him, he was able to bring certain level of stability. And on any deputy era, or say or do you also twaso or co-education or co-energy ministry. Oshe anamon to be kakra ekwa. Generally, there's a sense of stability.
Okay.
A war system. And University of Professional Studies. I one kind. Omo bono abaso.
Yeah.
Say omo say ne candy some and I bekan the leadership na leadership of letter. I don't know we say the doctorate we know a DHL. So, doctorate of humane letters in leadership.
Yeah.
And then me born about so MCC at we cry, you made koso in crime. Na Mira, say na ochi muzo, some of the mu yanka cracker. As Mrebiana Yana say, and some no dear denu so ba, or some can Emma Ghana for. Sir, what kai structure be a walk on for not here. As you hope, Missy me a channel.
Yeah.
Me Kagra, Kofi Kra, and we are I
think about 44 years now.
47
years.
And you pa,
sure.
You see, get the baby children's ward.
Yeah.
Now say by say, Adia Eddie in fee. Edianai so I confused you. A bay say a day and a tebet at home near DSU. And I be bogu near Sifufro. Say Anano, while we are away in Cratwono. Say Minister Cobo, a 2 Anamoko Hono. Sir, the 500 capacity bed now. ECD Ama children's department or Confanochen through contractor. Say and also a progressive our mama at times said. Mfiemiensa akino ebitumi akom na de ye maame Rebecca ebe mother and baby unit mo amada woroma mo boa first lady e ma ne de bra Asante mo abe complementing na yen health dwumadi no na economy nti eno so no eya yen kama Ghana for nte se ju bibi ekoso na ade na akwa se ye bo aba na chia na aba na se so e bibi ade ye ani afri ho na ya sa akwa responsibility good self responsibility no say kan ya na ama Ghana for so onya asobroche ye kan no say ogusu a oye na Kofi o say mi twotro mucho yewura ana omampani dada John Evans Atamios so no free ekonfi otuam and I'm some papa so free gomwa
okay
nti fantemane gomuade ye
you close.
Bako ha.
Okay.
Sopon mo ne Winnie Bamo ne mankasi mu ni nyina no. Nipa ba. O call the krechi ene ye MC mfienkro.
Yeah.
Nyame fa nikra ensie. Na all of a sudden mahu se NDC for ya ade bi. Omunya atwom no asan ba biu. Oh, na ye ba be call 2016 elections. 2020 elections. What is the NDC for number mampani that bills day? So why bibi Ghana? Everything Mahama. Everything Mahama. Everything Mahama. Omo in the scheme of affairs. Omo ano nya atwumtuma yi papa na ti se papa na mama ye. Oh yes. And who share will be a sad no de bia woni NDC for ko ho a Samokoku anyedo ho.
Yeah.
Every day. Oh yes, I didn't say, sir, the leadership of NDC Sabraha, Omunya Atrum. Any idea, Omutumi, Ompeso, Yama Ghana, and Ibia, even some penny that I must buy, Kwama, and the woman atrum. And I'm say, if free bear now, Chini, NDC Nibia Casa, oh, Oman penny that I mills, Oman penny that I mills, Ibesu Swank, Oma. Nyana namba be omoba ya hwehwe animu
ne birthday do no more.
Oh, I hwehwe animu na uni mo.
You need to eulogize him.
You see, you say agrobe so a if you anopa. So, ena say yebesu so a enka ye hye wo ma. Na ansa no ukoye se fufuo yi esi ho. Ukofa ukura ya hwie de atare ase. Na wi a osisim so. Iti yabe fa the crazy.
Okay.
Nye we ne dey be politics.
Yeah.
E dey be nya atwo. Omunya ika ne nya iti. Brakovi.
Minion.
Ye share COVID asem eba yi a COVID be ka na ebi due Ghana ha ebi pie. Me ka one of the first people say me call radio station bia na lockdown no eba and within that say 3 weeks or something later me call radio station na me call you na COVID was part of the topics. Me jira so ka say sadie we ne bobre ene ne yare so se de sitie na abibrema na wiase ye nim se de na farba ne bobre sitie no. Menya nka yen political topics no nka ma yen fa nka ho na nka da bia no nka yen frɛ apomdenfo.
Okay.
Na nka omo medi sa nkomo no if we say immediately ebekwa akotena ai studio a MPP te ha NDC te ha no. We yen dey a ye de bebo political ball. Na sabi apomden ene yade Kofi enim se we ye MPP ni ana se we ye NDC ni. Se we ye Ghana ni a wo ha de na oti wiase de ni wave no se ba ebi betumi account and kwan ya me fa so a me ka sa asem na nanso wo ba ye ne de sunsum pe nanso honam no mre yen problem se enka ye be ma ekobi to say information service Ghana Health Service ene abana ye di dwumadie ahye ne nsa no ene ebia NCC for edi animu se ombedi sa nkomo no ade a atwe asan edi Ghana nya eye kwan a NDC for fa so di COVID for nkomo and Kofi ya ahote se ye wo political party a o madwene kire o mo se sa yare ya sabi ye pa ye ho a ye hunu yasene ye hunu bobre no eye opportunity e de man eme ye ko ekotu mfuturo gu Ghana fo ani se yemfa nkɔhye na na adoda nkɔ akufo ado ani MPP fo se de besi biara yemfa ho ntansa no emmo wo na ifiri se yenim si ye ka ne saa Ghana fo dodo na aro no ebeje adi na omanya etan bi edi ama aban no ene ne mpanimfo a wayi omo se omo enhwe saa adwumadi emfaman no enti se wo behwe a NDC entu metra hanom a omo nka COVID ho asem a omo nkɔfa yewura Sir John asem ema omo enkonkofa na nadoda nkɔ akufo ado asem ema ana omo konkofa NPP panimu bi asem emfa emma na omo wie a no asan ba be ka kire say Ghana ni a wotie mi wo ho bambo no ehye wo nsem na anim so be ka kire nse ne ho bambo hye ne nsem a saa kantan cross no ene nwuramu kwan na ode asem no kofa no ase ne say enipa nkwa ye nipa nkwa say betumi atrase abaye politics we need to be healthy and our primary responsibility as far as communication is concerned say ye bekasa ama ato enipa trim unadulterated because yare we eye owuo ena nkwa enti eni kwan say ye nkasa mu no wo say saa ye responsibility a wo say ye de ma ye ho no ye de kwhye obi say obi na aye Kofi me ya Ghana ni minim say de Ghana fo yesitie who beka ya mra lockdown e ba ye say me sheda me koto sanitizers ibi any nose mask on say police for don be gina barriers enyinam e wa Tenga junction because susuensi no me sheda say me pesa me de normal bi che o mtimiti sim e na me de sanitizers e ma o me nose mask ebi ho ma ko restaurant na ma koto aduane na me de ama o just to see how they are conducting themselves time wana bibi akura nya maaye no me ko pie asem bi esi wo enyinam so na papa bi atra kan mu efri be kwai abeduru enyinam adan a ose oba be pekuku ato wo santase eno na call viral na police ni na ogina ho se papa wo ye panimu utumi se na supo ahini police ni no saa de we aye kan na ye nye se me wo fase don ayi ni enye yo good obeka ya brante baako Greater Accra onu abegina TV3 so ese onu awo free kaso ana weja ho na wahye da BT police me se me kwa control adan oba ba be hwese se ye kaso obi anhye dem no obi ahye dem a eye subia e wo nipa ho a e wo se nyina ye din kom me hu se irrespective the temptation se break protocol no saa de we say de wo de ye nyai saa temptation yetia na ye wura Sir John ye nya na yiye mpo ana sabi na nyankopon kra nton nsa emfre no muamada roma ena mukohu no ma na ekoso ewo Dr. Mensa ye ma me mo aye ko ye ka se covid nti ya chem ba miensa ebi mra ne ebi mra kira a na ya ma ebi card ebi fa akwati kwan ekoje card no red waji yellow waji green waji blue such that every day obetumi aba market so enti say yedin common as risk communication no and obi our health public health biano this risk communication immediately you adulterate it no na wa she odi enipa nkwa edi agro odi gura topre because the wave no eba no obi antiase obi anim ena enipa nso no ye chichiri ye de ye efia ema ye ho tire ye kakra obi ampese obetra se be 2 days 3 days na ni fie won firi ho Kofi ye ka tro se shedem ha ye be ma onsu ye be ma aduane ye be ma hwe DSTV bibia Kofi won hye oh obetumi asa 3 hours by a minute after the 3 hours Kofi you'll be itching to go out a part of a nipa enti immediately ye be embolden obi say ade we eye nipa bi e na akofa aba eye omampani eye politicians eye hwan no na wase asem wo enipa nti ase da and wo be wo politics nti wo di nipa nkwa ebedi agro you see mome yenye ye ho nya atwom se ye betra ha ne ye kasa sabi ye nuanom Ghana fo bi entie ye enye ni na ade ba ko a beye musuo amame ene se ade e wo se obi eye a ne nkwa betumi akuta no politics nti ene se daachi metumi aba be di Ghana anim nti no mame enka asem no nchia no na ono no na asem no fa nkohye obi enti wo behu a da bia me hwese nkrofo twi microphone di ko gina bonten a politicians no so no mko aye ena politicians no kwatra ha ena msi no NDC for di Ghana for abro
why?
Because asam na omo ka no enye se ofitia no waka obi aka ma na to litrim e na wa believe
anya no krese mukoyi
me say
anya no krese mukoyi
Kofi sa executive me patcho me ba on say you see mama presidency bi a isi here a year kan ya 2021 but look at COVID from March 2020 any an attitude into the Christmas.
That's near my bar from Kakao.
You see, a form na a buy, no. A form na Mammy Cassam true. Mammy Cassam true. A form na a buy, no. Was as a result to say, Yen na ye jitu mua, ye di ye eco remu. Right? Ah, ne yes, adian. And Debiano make us say a COVID patient back crowd Ghana harmona. My enye say COVID echo. Right? Ni na nso kokoye say yadwuma egu jayen kwa adwuma and you see on a balance of probabilities Kofi imagine
Akoma FM.
yenuanom a se bi o matiti o mo weremu e de abie especially private schools e wo Ghana at the last count let me say private schools near over 4,000 e wo Ghana akoniaba ye nkwara edi no e na abusua bi o mo si adwuma sa private schools wo no so no o mo so enya bi e de ekọ ifie ekobo akonhoma lockdown no bae no uhu amane a sankrofo no ehunu ye
were affected
seriously because me back up private school me mako me hu asemo a eto wo mo
but we be an school ho asem
e pa cho me ba and at the end of the day PTA contribution a was ye e de sub teachers for na asem because na ye den so enu ti no wo hwe sa de we say nyina ya e wo say ye nyinara no sa nkomodie no ye se kire no ka kire ye ho ye ho no say yankwa ehye yensem right me woni mete hey me mete hey say me constituency secretary me MPP na meboa Kofi let me tell you enye function nyina na me ko
but
that be me
but who no behunu nyansa but
Kofi ene that be what say asem
no followers you are not creating that impression for them
it me mete we me man kono na se me follow na me ka asem kire ahiye ni bi yo hono ma me mo ayi bi edin ya me constituency secretary man kan tro bi ase wonko me kura me man ko bi enso me hu me police station officer awugina ho me chairman anko bi me MP nko but e was say manipa no hu say sa dwumadie na sa adwene na che ntrimu say ebia COVID de Africa de enkan anyway say no enye no ebetumi aka me de me metra ha emfa COVID enye politics because enipa nkwa wona a oma kotra se ma yenko ne yemfa COVID nkonko hye na ado danko akufu ado yemfa nko hye NPP but NDC for na omo kana no sebi o yesi sebi wubu kotokwase a yankopon ehwewoto NDC for na omo kana no when you sue them ye pese ye demonstration when you sue them ye march akwa when you sue them yesi unvia no wasa turn hypocritically nya atwumti no abase yemfa nkobo na ado na wo sa demonstration a wo koye no wo kona mo se moko transe a moko de da form ekotwitwa selfie no police for catch na mo say COVID ti o ma mo nko na mo yire o ma mo koye no what was the impact ana edeba de na de COVID mo mo de mo mahunu wa obetra wo tu nipa fo at time a eba se mo pese mo demonstration no mo ko dra mo ko twi mo bebe e di nipa fa abonten obeka to so ye de observe protocol what a hypocrisy. So mini a wutie me na no pay aja me maame a wutie me na no pay mesrew yesi obi babo am woso a enti se wa woso mesrew ara COVID no enkoi wo tena ka mu krampo na se wo hwe enipa na omotiti mu no omaye omadwene so omde do omante se odogo bi nuabe ye be ya ne se wo paasi fam ema obi emfa ni suba ayi ni high life emese wuso so ho because ye won krofo bi a omo de wo yo omo den wa na dwene se sa mass no ommo bi okoka wo be di watem wo be twabo sa na obe ye wo nenso fo ni to obusua fo ni to obiara se Ghana hia wo obusuafo hia wo se wa anko ama abusua enidi nafa nkwa no ehye wo nsam mesra o mebai me mask yi etuama so metemeka mukura no ehye ma no wo ba horo wo nsa wo se wuduru ba bi na se nipa abodompema emfa wo nkowuram na tie the public health service officers no omo eka na yenyai sa NDC ni MPPO na nado mahama o hwan eya abro eni edi Ghana for.
Okay.
On this call, I think say yenyai the unnecessary politics na edi no, especially kwa NDC for efaswa omde Ghana for nkwa egura top no. It is too bad, and you see NDC, no, it shouldn't be politics. No, make us some. You see, COVID during a year 2020 COVID by today says a COVID committee as if Ghana is not in the hands of a leadership. A year there was a fan leadership, but when leadership give directives, we say me makwami opposition. Makwate committee say me COVID committee. Now Ghana Health Service for no more yet.
Okay.
Public health for no more say.
Thank you.
So for this one, media me I will say NDC for the Ghana for papa.
Okay.
Ghanaians should never listen to them because for them it is politics as usual.
Okay.
And politics.
Esa me that say Ignatius Yanka Kofi me wa Italy. I thank the MPP guy our Kasana Mami. Bring such brains in your studio. I like him. Ogidi Gidi Kofi over Kofi. Mr. Kabori's submission has made my days. Has made me so sober. He has lamented as to how a Ghana yempeni for ene mra yini so ami abidu baby yedu. Kabori, thank you. Sita Seidu, bravo, Mahmoud Kabori. You are doing a great job for God, country, and party. Your analysis are superb. Keep up the good words. Okay. When an ordinary citizen breaks a rule, it's officially a crime. But when the whole president and his vice president, the entire government machinery makes it, the rule becomes useless. Mr. Issa should stop defending the president. Ogidi gidi dia wade abara no kwame oponke to a good morning Kofi. Mepacho Balikisu Opoku, Balikisu Opoku. Okay. Also, bet me ako Facebook page. You share the video, you like the page, now or comment at the tour. Listen to you live from Belgium. Kwame Opong. Okay, Kwame Mate. May that say. Kabori. Now,
Yes.
I just want to listen to him. I mean,
Let's just about setting the record straight.
Okay.
Everything Mahama. Yeah, more president Mills Dean. You see, I was saying admit it. Nyankopon in his wisdom, no need the entire. Osabe, Ose, and I will need free more. Or Timmy Mao, star divine opportunity to forget. Because our duffel powerful minister will rent me and fear all the time. You remember the pains. And the other dinner between NDC and MPP. Time be I record radio so. Young more Kwame Nkrumah. Because Kwame Nkrumah did great things, right? Kwame Nkrumah. So the issue is that it was said President Mills, Nabusuya, we don't need to remind them pains all the time. Secondly, more other platform where you can about the woes, the difficulty, the shortfalls of the NDC. The maybe NDC are more dear. No more running in a big Mahama so say, oh, at the time now time was cry. Mahama as a vice president and a year do many in her. See you do the hair papa and when young woman dear. Oh, and no the Atanos there, no Mahama anymore. So what I want my brother to understand is that being a vice to someone as a president, you know, a collective responsibility. We any year, Andra, and you know, who they see what Baumia, Vice President Baumia, His Excellency in the office. MPP youth, Mabunu, Kuina, what Ghana Hamu, Mawana, Musifo, went and eulogized him for the good thing he's doing for Ghana, and another government president. So, said Tim, but the other way is what, and he should be a pride and Isabra mean in the other way. You do not have the moral right to comment on that. Secondly, senior, I was said. Ye shani kind of creature Ghana for. Meaning senior is a now he's one such person. Me kopano be also near say it's a never have that confidence that Ghana for be from us. And that day he didn't do the people of Ghana.
But I didn't speak for you. No,
the people of Ghana.
You see, I'm not here to Kofi.
But Mama Nusi,
I'm not here to impress. No, I'm not here to impress him. He can make his stay. Look at some and not here. No, please. No. He's not here to assess me. No, please.
I don't think so.
Kofi, No. You see, one aspect I dislike it.
No, I know. But
don't put me on and say me. No, you are not here to assess me.
But
and it is not him to assess you.
But let's be him say when NDC person is assessing you, you don't.
No.
Because I'm not here to assess you.
Okay.
When you started, you assessed me on why.
No, I didn't assess you.
Hypocritically, you're praising me. I didn't say anything.
Okay.
I have a right to criticize.
When you put me on the spot,
so the problem is that, and then you have painted a certain picture. Say the integrity of NPP as a political party is paramount to the health of Ghanaians. Question I hear say one. Adia a course so ewo sakra will no say do a yes. Is it a good thing? One to me and Yano. Second question is Ministry of Youth and Sports and the FA. Adia omuye prior to the ending of the just ended Premier League. It was it safe enough? Abra yeku COVID dana. You couldn't answer question on that. Maybe third question say Adia Gabi Papa Yas Mokoye ya. When I'm campaign, I'm Vice President Bamiano. Was it safe in the era of COVID? When to me Yano. And I mean, say after everything in Sakrawo, the presidential advisor on health. Let's remember catch them me Ghana for say. All the people who attended St. John funeral COVID. Question I ask is, Papa was he able to do individual tests for perform course St. John Yenina? When to me Yano. So these are the challenging questions. I beg you for answers. If so accept it, now you say what the president did is not right. Then we will understand. Because when you say who make his statements be say, who constituency, I hear to me back. Who as a constituency secretary, you won't go. Ten you. O party chairman, Mko, Wempinko, and so back where ye naseno. Na branch executive ye then. Because you as a constituency secretary, when you're popular and another go and the constituency, the branch executive, no, one word in a good for the yes, leadership by example. Washen and now to say who constituency secretary and now MP because the MP is not bigger than President Akufo-Addo. And then now to say about tomorrow years I want to answer to Mumia. Who secretary one man may make because that's the picture the president have painted. And you know, the fact that we want kono should even give you more energy. So, but now, my branch executive, yes, sir. Hey, branch executives, wait. Yeah, man, penny coin was a crowd on the entry year. Yes, some who are Kenya, now you know a bum, then you be a brochure. Trying the panosity alcohol, someone walk with you. That is how we build the country. Now, with the Manusi, was it yeah, hypocritical? I hear to Ghana for said the man penny, yeah, what a view. And so you call demonstration. Senior, Adia Biano, ye one in Kitwa, and you want a cassie. On the day and night of election 2020, Ghana Health Service, every time my data, ni pardon COVID just on election day and the night of election. Ma go through, I didn't see death recorded on that date. But on the day of election, not through reckless security, recklessness on the part of some unprofessional security officers. Ghana former baku this year, how many people na COVID? But through the recklessness of some security officers,
Therefore,
we have gotten a new canker in our midst as a society. Ghana COVID. Because Di Maria you're born to a drano. Ebi a COVID na chain no abananke yamano oxygen. But no woo. So there was something they could Ghana for COVID. So as amanyoku a yɛdwen yɛ manfo ho, especially dealing with abanya wabubu nuagu na sum no. We needed to go out in one voice as one people. Na yen can't tell ya ban say, "Mama ni wura mfi ne ho," because we are still in a democratic dispensation. Be at the vulnerable kaka mame and kaka yere. Di Maria mame wadura na Di Maria yere will not have that opportunity to have the media coverage and all that. And yes, a manokua ye want all that structures. You come mountains so bia na bayati. It is the reason why. And then some of even the actions are ban abanya busu awaye. Most of the recommendation and here can demonstration we say IGP crowd to one why. And I say one new IGP acting. And you know, me nyananti ase say yes. Ekura wada onantu no. And just say ekura eda ebia usuntem ana wafu. The beer one magnitude of the effects.
Okay. Thank you.
But we cannot do it politicians.
Thank you. Yeah.
I say,
Dr. Samuel Free, head of School of Business at the Kumasi Technical University. Dr. Bibi Abokodia. Microphone. Good. Now, then I question.
Kofi say eja. Yes, no pay ya we ya present me dim say hey. Kofi me dey nyasam go to be ka bia me dey pa. Eja na me so say bia so ko franchise am. Why poku ane kese.
Yes.
They will be cranty. There was one say that they are 2 years. No, I mean, Casana, meet me. Akasana.
But I say,
meet me, Akasa.
oh, yeah. No. We can still.
The America, the issue, let me say, be as a
we're looking at
the COVID, yes, COVID.
For now.
COVID, in idea, we can't say we have to blame ourselves. Especially, a bit free in Penifon. Now I was so disturbed when I na Penifon be able so. Emma embudu inyina so e ka say only send say dey enye fa ehonyim. Because baby o na sem Penifon no eye nhwe han kakra. Emma obi so ka say ne se pani a de bia am ka say abuchi emra no eche Penifo. Enche ayifo no timamufo no. Omo ya make sure say be che empanifo ni bi na aye susudie ama omomo efom no. Enu bi na em say asi e wo COVID mu a because na aye nim say na regulations na protocols bi wo ho em say kire no ye nyina ye bu ye nego so na ba sa no so bia so jai enyoma gum sa nti I believe ye nyina ye part of this situation you're finding yourself. Now, there's a problem in government. Acquire some of the vaccines. Nama as a problem. I menu so call Kofa ways of getting the vaccine because it was a matter of life and death. Now, Ushima, if we are saying most of these developed countries, our that or vaccines 2021, 22, Canada, order. We move so UK ma order. All intention is some vaccine or more vaccinate their people. Inti ama ye developing countries, ye some challenge kakra. Africa and Asia, ye na ye wo ye problem because ye be enter. And that is the vaccine industry and our business are eco amount for super so munya profit ifim. Because oko India was a center na World Bank directly send come and developing countries. And almost benya as a variant here. I'm almost decided say until 2021 they are not going to have production for developing countries. And they say I'm be a pekwan or befaso ye bet me because Ghana yet me have vaccinated about 2%.
Just about 1.2 million.
Yeah, yes, which is 2% of the target population I was vaccinated. In that case, Emma, you're safe. the more and there were about 43 hot spots so we have to make sure say you beat me but I was happy say I learned say the American government donated some vaccines to Africa. Na Ghana, yes, we benya be 1 million dosage from it. And I think say by 2 weeks or so, no, they can able to get that vaccine for us. Until now, the issue is I also vaccinate as soon as possible. Now, so no, the protocols, no, we have to reinforce. You say now no and go back. And I like the president say we were complacent in a way. I might say I don't know because Delta variant you know, very very serious. Especially the CBA will be the impact no be more serious than Obia. But it doesn't mean say what will be unyebi. Yes, you can also get it, but impact no and effect no much as compared to Obia own will be. It's a two-way affair. Government ensuring say as soon as possible no benya vaccines no amaye na etimi be vaccinate nyina omo maka no na emaye no so no ensure say the protocols will still be observed. Yes we ko aye ni sa party na bomodia na because gatherings no na mass spread no ye ko didi
Come there say go didi o ko ye go there so go didi very
conservative.
Oh yeah.
Party.
Yeah.
No, for the back no for.
Yeah, move be near me I party. We have bunch of party.
Hey, obi ayi pa o.
Oh, sorry me dan we nya bia.
Eh ye pra no bu okra na emfa no.
Eso. Obekwa kan mai we.
No dey make Kofi. Me se me fa e feed that dey so ko ya. Me ye si a che omo na. Omo tip yo no ma ba trouble.
No.
Oh but say who dey obetumi aye you but obi enye ne nti eno na akofa sa yi sa pie bebrebe no ana akofa sa spreading especially I think yen dey overlook it too much. Kofi because na gathering it does.
Sure.
Yes. And the gathering it does so. And I think I will commend the churches. The churches has really ensured the protocols. That's what this do. And I mean, just say Hannah churches, you know, more things but he appeared there no, I is in debris. And yeah, very careful. It will be our PPA. Also, now I won't go fire Arabia and
okay.
And lastly, no, yeah, because it's a COVID no economic challenges. Yeah, pressure na yi nyina we so nyina this COVID the pressure ma you make cost so nyina because imported goods will be because we talk an boy and you may be breed yam empire na sa di ensan kofa third variant because that is what GMA ne other experts are warning.
So most schools are exploding in Asante.
Yes.
About 4 schools, Tech, Amstead, and Oko, yes, some of the senior high schools.
Miss school count.
Not really. Anyway, okay. Okay. Now, Mama, you share Kisia Jabi.
Not me 2 minutes. You see,
a quick one.
No, it will not be politics.
Yeah, very quick one. Now,
I'm so passionate about Ghana and that is why initially I was saying for COVID and it's a risk communication. And Kamenya politicians, you hear Ghana for their politics. We need to have their lives intact. Baby ababi drubiano
yeah.
Yentie the public health officers
okay.
Right. Na yate say yate hey you say NDC the omo call demonstration there and the M to me fashion ma na MPP say don't na ye no omo call and the EDPB beba na so you refi say ye so John na ye no e che kura ansa na NDC for ebe come demonstration. Enti senka ye ka de ode anwansa na ba fi a Kofi ijai de okofa ahwede e ba fi ho e kope de otwitwa nkontomre so na de awanse na bae na ne nyina nkamfo ano me de mehia Ghana ni biara se ne nkwa ebikita
Okay.
Omumfa omaso enko protocols na ase ya slack no na yen san chase emfa ye ho anyim na the health officers no ka kire no doc veteran hay say yenyire ho say party no yente so achinchina no yente so aye no say no nyame adomo ba maninti say wantumi betumi asende nsan na de akọ so yenye ne sa na ye make good use of the technology no
I will not.
Yes. But Magana Fonti politicians.
I am more Moro Kabore. I'm not in maybe to corruption, but to make it costly. Kesi Ajabi. Assessment of the fight expectations. Not yem fact. A new law. Some group of parliamentarians are submitting on LGBTQ or more seeking to criminalize it. Say, oh, much information, only information, so you can ignore that. And you didn't come on that, Mamincho.
Thank you very much. As for mine,
acquire security into you can add corruption security, you can add IGP.
Sure.
Yeah,
as for mine,
yeah.
I believe, sir.
And at least you have about 15 minutes there.
And near my here beer was a strengthen the security fabrics. Na Emma some illegal activities costly, expensive. To me, as a young Democrat, and Mabuna me believe is the tomorrow of Ghana no will be in our hands. No, I believe we have all of those. Say if it is about investigative issues, the police service is not left out, Yoko is not left out, and all the other agencies are here. Assembly say and no entry those investigative issues. If it is about prosecution, say you do be kujina mrana nim na subu bi a yedi abono no yapemu nokre na court wa mana ye fine amaya. I think is the main reason, and I say it's part of the reasons in here you instituted the Ministry of Attorney. And in the first place, when the introduction, the suggestion, the conversation say you being an office of a special prosecutor. As a youth, that me feel say it's just a replica.
And I Mami Kiseja being videos at the vet and other image Mamincho.
It's just a duplicate of institutions. Because what is that office coming to do special apart from the existing institutions now more here? I believe that the main focus should have been on resourcing existing institutions.
Okay.
Strengthen them. Now you're more to medina brand. No more year juma boboa. Ama especially kataseshe proye kankan yetime to us. That notwithstanding, the majority agreed with the president. And until we establish an office of a special prosecutor. You Martin Amidu Nenya Kwenya say or catch the president eye as a citizen vigilante. Obeye Nyuma Bibri. We are say in Samoa, a kufri mubaye with the way and century into a new asem. But the tough for boom because you see, baby, we see will be an yana a jack and so on. Matiami doing some more kind in natural. I heard just one thing, and that is Encrophobi will abandon you more. And I'm man Juma, he share no so one quayeno, and we pay, and I want to me any. Koya board the sitting president. Nay, Martinamidu is on record to have said. So what about Yasminina? Adia waya. What regretting when you know Casepa? And so what you man Benin and Adango Gufado dear. Actually, say, Adango Gufado, a company fan. na oye fa benkum obroni say he preaches virtue and practices vice. Kaya kwa say ano a wode bo besia no enya sa ano no ano odi betua. Enti Matiamidu di amemene mfe oyaw because ye nyina anim the party a wodon ye NDC and the NDC ye nim nsam ahodo a Matiamidu tam de kopie mu Supreme Court. Tini ye hwe anim say in other political party no events you have seen in the past any events are na ekoso and na
Jabi Samson
na papa ne betumi agina brane a Japan ne niema bi nti na wotifie ono a resign say wode na adwuma to ye fa owura kisi ajaben a sina Kofi se eba no owura no nim de eba no ne dwuma die ene na hofama a wode som ne man a asem bi ani no ho. Again, let me put on record, let me register me displeasure. Say Nkrofo ka say he is young, want to me near Jumano. I disagree with those people. Even your constitution is problematic. Yenun the year initiative conversation say if there is a possible constitutional amendment and review. And Mara say when Nimfia Diana kwa won't be no paying your Ghana and I was yes. And no na nipa bi adwen ye omo say we ye mabunu na wa nimfie aduana na ekira ye mo adwuma kese bi on tumi there is no evidence like it's not backed by facts. Entino abrante no nimfie owura no nimfie na namotuo ne womasua history background ene na hofama ode ye o my Ghana adwuma se ka no nko ade a enka meda nanso ye bisa se eniema amwa Matiamidu amana ntumi anye na dwuma no saa niema no afiri ho ana enkrofo a na wo ma beye sintidua wo na dwuma yo mu no saa enkrofo no wo ma firi office ho ana na die na elma wa hotoso se Ghana ni se nei die Matiamidu na ye tu ni sintidua Matiamidu na ye na ntitwa na kisi ajaben die ebema na ye na dwuma said yes. If we a special prosecutor anything with regards to corruption no I will say utumi etuhu anamo especially the clear in your scope of activities no I will say utumi tu anamo pa enyema bebre wo ha edukoma Matiamidu no later kwa no be ye ti asese as the pressure bi na eba no sunti na o ka kire say utumi tu anamo enunti media I had to say kwadwoko esu no ogina nkwantia say that fabrics some mechanisms sa cobweb something time bi na etetere mpenimfo a wo pepa so mbeko atia katasese project kankan no say yam yi sa niema na mfro sa kwansidie na mfiri ho na mpokura no ya course ra himam ko post ra bofo de ne be yes special prosecutor the person and that angel will still not be effective. Sa sure above one wo to me nya adwuma o my Ghana ebedi so for super. Enunti de wotwetwa no ntoma no won wonim se de opam no fa. Na dodan kwa gufu ado na aform the government. Wonu na wo ba abato wo besre ye vote 2016 wo share ye mbo efa katasese ho. Wonya pepa no na se wode ne na si fomu a eno kwa na betima se bi o my Ghana na mom de oye nimfie na ya atwa mu no so betokoso ye no saade a meka ne bi osoro abofo mpo firi osoro ahemamu ba we can never fight corruption in this country. One of the most blatant truth ye plain truth wa kisi ajaben kan ya manya ne mujidie at least he has been fair with the ordinary Ghanaian say unto me to katasise and that is true because ye wo and adansi ayewo nimdie bi ye di asem ya hye especially in the African setting say a hands that feed you no you don't bite that hand eti ene sa asema fan say ade a esi in the PDS scandal now one more mu cause am meeting no kwateni some of the condition precedent acquire no condition subsequent to Vice President Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia then middle boss no more makan sa asema na fa Vice President Bawumia ho na say was say ye hwehwemu bi a kesi aja bi betumi ana yes PDS I mean ajapa ye tuatua legal consultation fees bi mankrofo bi ana ko mu na ekoye as legal consultant am o my Ghana sankrofo no gabi otre da ko na dan ko kufu ado wo fase e ka ho se na gabi na wo ye kesi aja bi classmate a wono na ko nakra na se ne asamba gabi hu anampo class as ka ye tua ma ye se kesi aja bi ko emu hwehwemu a obetumi aye hwehwemu a ebebo o my Ghana na enunti so was say on to me to katasase but obema na expensive wa the heavy say sikani no wo betimi atua sa expensive no and even in the first place how expensive is it going to be and Kofi, you understand why I make us say we have existing institutions sir na betumi aboa hwe papa ya na no ya odi na dwuma to as IGP Europe on that was his second contract anyway.
On found a human to
or didn't a Juma better more.
Okay.
Because I'm told that the new acting will start on the first. Do didn't a Juma better. Say to me, man, be appointment contract extending even more than once in a year. I don't think Uncle Phoebe Omunya Pepaso Meko Katasi to say Daniel Dumelovonumo or Mudu sister is so Kofi. And that mentality of the Ghanaian man say we there obetumi aka no kure we betumi apa me hontuma we betumi ama me niam abone ame ya dadi nti we mfa ne nya adwuma ye bedi mfi apem na ye class 1
okay
yewura George Akufu Dampare
okay
IGP nominee
Akoma
read a lot about him tie and some about him na kiayam say is one person and another Akufu ado abudi the whole Ghana people from various political divides eboje papa no so say ni ye na namuotuo ene niam bi a waye in the past no obetumi abadwumaden ye yesre ne say he's going to be the IGP of the Ghana Police Service. Which institution omumoto yes service with integrity.
Okay.
Well, no as we nipa there's an idiot. Was serving with integrity in the Ghana for you na yen yan the some money.
87.
And I will be a airborne abaso. Now as an institution now what better no. Sa omumoto no be make sense. And now it making sense no ejina so because as we speak nipa bebre o my Ghana ha won gidie pa in the Ghana Police Service within a few years near yewura mu no eswate enti adwuma son eda papa no so enti me just like isi adaben e kadam pare nko de waye the records de obetumi aya and Kobia da open because asemo magana biem. But is the police service independent enough?
Okay.
And the chairman of the police council, I'm not saying say Omampenye Kufuado a person started, but where the level of influence, political influence, under President Kufuado, and Mami Suroma Ura Dampare. Yeah, best than understand. And man of fan saying anything say because he's an appointee, because he's an acting. I don't do all idea be favor the people of Ghana, but some political elements. Because ebi obesuro si ebe yinadi. One ma o mine no ho pepa. Sajidi when you free abra wa join police service be sin na entena ne mu na nim kan enye ehyen ebehwe no na ochina bi no aban foforo kura ba because he's still young. Aban kuro no hunu the essence the sentia even though aban dia pension ya appointed but I was so to so my Ghana IGP.
Okay.
No di na nim kan a ye security architect status quo na eya ase ehihim no be gina fapim na oh my Ghana ye nyina ya de so eti wa ba ye manatenase.
Okay.
Oh my Ghana de ekun ye ne and robbery cases. Oh my Ghana de ekun ye ne reckless and unprofessional security officers bi ama abusua bi ahwere omo adehie on fa na nancy form na ba bia wase ye ma compensation na aboto ye mu ba bia nso wase ye investigation na no kure no edad na obi atirim ye no fine.
Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Kabore and Motel in Kano. Isa, I mean, no take on Jabin and that of the IGP.
Yo, Kofi, medasibiu. Na yewra kisi ejabin. Mebona baso. Na mama no akwaba. Akwaba tenase. Na emra omampanin ebo ne din no se ono na the new special prosecutor omefa sa office kesi no ebsena nipa dodo na no ewo adwen ayo montanta se abranti kura wone hwan na wohwe nimfie mu a sa adwumadi ase de Ghana si honi obetumi aye na minim se dodo na no okọ parliament appointment committee anim ene okọ ya wono anso ko dida no ma bi adi dwumadi a wadie as young as he is being at the bar for over 18 years.
Okay.
Na watch criminal law for over 15 years.
Yeah.
Any mpo MPs na omoto ho no watch bi ade e wo school mo no em say ewe ye no Ghana for no
small in size but big in brain.
Big in brains. Na me momu de I am an ardent supporter.
Okay.
Se eba se yedi mpanindie ana ye bokwan e de ama mrantie ene maba wa se Ghana man no se di sitie se de ebe krakra na ye bebu no ye bepe omo mbedidi nwuma ene animu no me ye obi a megitum se se Ghana ye betumi aye bibi pa a chen de sesi ye a e wo se ye ma mrantie ne maba wa no e wo se ye ma dodo nara ekwan na omonso enya kwan esuade edidi mpanimfo no naase na dacha nkwa ma bi no se mpanimfo no ni wono ma wonso atumi adiga na anim ene nkonkodu se Kofi ase wabua free 50 na 55 ho no afi na ye de panindie ede ba be hye wonsa no na wo ba finance mu a na economics mu a yesi sa eduru ho no ma nipa na risk appetite no eya na ewo fom. Nti no me de mebo mampani na na adoda nkwa akufado abaso sesa office se de Ghana fo si hu no ene se de Ghana fo si age atum no o hwehwe mu ara akwa hu obi a owo sa sebi obobre no a obetumi de adi sa adwumadie no anemu Kofi corruption katasehye ene proye yade a edi ewiase afana nyina anya na ewiase ato kese ewo so
okay
epese yetu so anamo na ye bra nase se yentumi enyim firi ho a eno ebeye den nanso ye bebre nase kyerese yade a eha amansan wo ba Ghana ha Kofi se sie sa wo de topic bi a eye corruption related ede beto ha me say what the ubi of phone tum say Ghana for nka ho asem fira no pay enkosi anwumra emfono Ghana for da if we say Ghana for no nyinara e da wo makoma so say saade a etwe yen kan ko san no a ketase chene proye no omu benya na nka Ghana yetumi abre na se na yewura jaben ka se ontumi enyi ketase hye emfiri hono ma mene no eye adwene na emom obema no ne bo aye den ma obiara opeso ye no eye saa na ketase hye ene proye ye kono ontumi mfa kwan foforo biara so enko na sese wonti ase se na okasa se eno ne bo beye dinti obi adwene kire ne se ne bo edin nti no so okoye ketase ne proya na ya ka tiro se kokofa 3 billion bra kokofa 10 billion bra enti ebema sikani atumi age no ho no saa nipa kro no onti ase yi wukọ ekrobi etese China corruption ne bo odin pa unim de enti ane bo odin no wona womo de womo say death penalty so kura no ewo womo statute book mu no ya se wo do nsa kobo aban sika mu a yetumi chew ne yede wakwa akogina ho ne ya bo otuo obusuafo nyina ra nso yehu so womo nso no womo fa akoti kwan bi so enso edi hu adodode bia Kofi nya wonko a ene ya chew bo otuo yede sa obusuafo ni nyina ra eka ho eho kura ra no enkrofo engage in corrupt practices na de omo ye ne se wo ye wie ni ya chew de a ene ne bo na eden no wonkwa ebetumi atwa so no bo na eden no ye fra bibi arm length ye betwe yensa no de atraw ama obi onu so ewo obusuamu no a onu so ye no onu so se emra na wo China no a wo se yedidi onu yedi bedi ne pepepe enti in contest ye kase ye bema corruption bo ayeden a ye hwe the act 959 Office of the Special Prosecutor and someone akan wom ekwan be so ne ye befa so a corruption ne bo ebeyeden enti sa wote ase in this contest won koka se osikani opa kire se sa office no se yehu se Kofi wo ye aban sika ba be sha won sa wo na boho bra na wafa koti kwan bi so ede afa kwan ni bi sika ni bi asie ana wa boga na kro no a ekwan a ewo se ye fa so ma ne bo ye den ne se obi biara sika ne bi call ne nsem so de ya japade ana so onya japade no na japade no Office of the Special Prosecutor no Special Prosecutor no etumi je sa japade ni free nsem wo wa japade a wanya nyina ye beka ni nyina bom ni age ni nyina de free nsem ye wie a ya ton na ye wie nso a emra no se de esi ni wudie ni se de obetum a e wo se ye sa de utum enti ye wie nso a esa ma ho kwan se Special Prosecutor no nyase ye de wakwa akogina court nko ara ena ye du asem wie a ewo na yamana aka ewo se ye du photo ene wudin eba pepesim publish ne be na otwemienu ye rane no TV so ema obi ara hu se sa papa we ana sa ma me we ye de Ghana sika ehye ne nsa no wadi enti ade fofora ewo Office of the Special Prosecutor Act no Act 959 na ye nya abotrando so do so no eho eno ehim enti mimi pese hodu the new Special Prosecutor responsible according to the Act 959 tumia ede mano se owo se ode ye adwuma na enu ena eduru ba bi no Kofi yewura matena midu me ye one person time one or sha say or complaining no I told him say he doesn't have any basis to complain because samra we say ne kita wono emre yi wukọ wo de yenko ebia section 2 section 3 about the functions of the office or say to achieve the object of to achieve the object the office shall one investigate and prosecute cases of alleged corruption corruption related offenses especially under the Public Procurement Act 663 CID Iyoko NIB na say friend NIB no any one a omakeka ka national security no we say mu nyina won say omo yen share dam fa aban adwuma bi enkohye obi asese we say de woni na ekona krana office of the special prosecutor akwansidie bi ani ho say even ye procurement ye wia wontum mfred the CEO of public procurement say on krata namra na hwem akwansidie bi ani ho. And the beauty of this act, they say, we call the independence of this office. Section 4 of Act 959, Clause 2. Maminka Clause 1 anyway. We all say, except as otherwise provided in the Constitution or by other law, not inconsistent with the Constitution, the office is not subject to the direction or control of any person or an authority in the performance of the functions of the office. Otisi mua se oye na juma no. Nani kwa se ubia enti se we a special prosecutor. Mentias yes se oye hwehwemu a wo se me de presidency. Eno no emra na wo hene. And who can prevent you from doing this? We are Oba clause 2 hono na. Eho ena na aye nchenwahye ho. So called Article 88 of the 1992 Constitution. Attorney General kwa ene wotumi. Intinanka the creation of this office. Yakwa say this mrebia no kwagitumi Attorney General and son wakwa prosecution. Because under Article 88 the prosecutory power yediama Attorney General. But look at the beauty of this act and how because of that entrenched clause Article 88 how it is entrenched. Now to me the beauty of this act, how it coined it. I'll say, subject to clause 4 of the Article 88, that give the sole prosecutory power to Attorney General. Okay, I'll say subject to that clause. The office, for the purposes of this act, Act 959, in performance of this duty, let me take the office. Is for the purpose of this act is authorized, right? It's authorized, direct, finito, by the creation of Act 959. Automatically, he is authorized by Attorney General to continue to do his work. Okay. So he doesn't need to be flip-flopping from Attorney General's office because when you go to the section 4 of call section 4, section 4 no need no. Interpretation. Say you translate with sober reflection. Na you translate near doso mrana like it happened previously. Say even na auditor general. Meaning so obi awaye auditor juma bia and now auditors aba hono no wonim disallowance and surcharge. Ya na ye part of auditor general to me. And so you try ha Emma will be na coffee ready samra no. And the auditor general say who was to me we intimate the court emra show so kohwehwe adwuma bi mu na so obi adiska saa to me na edema say disallowance and say charge no fire adwuma ansa na dey. If we have a sober reflection na ye kan samra we say ya media minister for the first time we have never had an officer wonu anu e wonu to me say or initiate investigation okọ no akwa the prosecution. Okay. When it comes to say obi emra bono na say bia o say ekoton no noma ni agi sika na onni onko obi aho hitherto you say a duplication. How duplication? We have never had office like this before. Those institutions that ete hono yemfa say the police CID omutumi ye dia mo say omo ye investigation omo ye hwehwemu o ye hwehwemu wi a wo wie jesu de kokoto we say state attorney so say state attorney be kwa koye ana onye CID ni no wa wie state attorney di koko gina court the court no be ye wa wie odi NS bona the realization of the proceed and as so bia faculty kwa aboga na kro no a si abeji sika no eno so e asem foforo. Okay. Na emra wei as yetumi som ne de ye adwuma enipa ba akono ye de tumi ahye ne nsam say wo tumi kwa ebowro obi office ekwaje nkrata se wakaji say krata no kra e bia kwa akodi nkran na se won tumi nkonkofa emra no ma okwan say wa wo de tuka akonkran won kire ba ho na kokofa enuti se omampani bi trase media me se sa ayi mra we say apart from president Ghana ni bi antumi nya sa mra we say se nipa na edi tumi na hye ne nsem no or trase so the mra we be ya adwuma Ghana will be beautiful.
Okay.
Because ebe hu be nwa say
thank you
me amakwa akwa investigation na me hu ba bi asem no duru na makwa gina court na me na me say prosecution me wie na sentence no bawa me na ba bi a no ma na makwa hu me na so it cuts away the unnecessary institutional bureaucracy and this unnecessary I say we will not collaborate and coordinate no ye ni nyina ma no mesre mo me enye politics as usual because politics corruption dia a Ghana nya ache and if this is the solution for Ghana we are see a dynamic because yeah the CIDS ho yeah the national security as ho yeah the Yoko as ho yeah the US nobody can tell me say they have never been resourced but resource na yenya no eh de pen no okay we are see a dynamic esisa and all the time we are see ntuma fra no osisa no it keeps changing. And said the corruption is no any econo. It is important. Say you able to be a bibia, a best say ho, na yet to mean so at two America, and now say you bet to me actual corruption, Americana or the ADN. And so I a brantio, or ya crow ya deal, or be already 43 years a day. Media Ghana Hana cat is this idea. Say, ya brabono crano, a chassis 40 no, and call baby. But how can you tell me, say, after 40 years, I feel
life begins
yeah,
at 40.
But we back Finland, the president Amati is a young boy. A high friend boy, and so home friend of man. So let us not look at the age. And even I was so disappointed when people started almost interrogating as far as his age is concerned. It was completely unnecessary.
But I think the vetting team now there.
Oh yes, I mean, all said that we said. They say, oh yeah, we are the end. On the whole, they did well. But Sano Manoma we say, media meaning says so. Where obi to me a building home when you have the capacity. Say obi to me at the IABB. I tell you, Mama, I am fat. Say, because when you go to Ghana's history, we share former President Rawlings, Kwame Nkrumah Mono. Time wa omo ba na yes ehu say omo ba be bibio minua unim say na omo kra no say omo ye na nke be ka chom say yenkwara.
Okay,
when you read Afrifa's history even Afrifa call retirement na or call retirement 19 I think 79 or say or winning as a member of parliament for Mampono unim age anwenya 44 years but no retired military officer. So you can tell me time or start here at the BGD. So let us not look at their ages.
Okay.
But the Jumano, they are sure Mosa. Mami, you radam pare.
Quick one.
You radam pare. And also, Memano Akwaba. Ghana, Konenim, for the first time, who say, an appointment, yam fa politics, maho. Obia Jinitum, se papano, obitumi aye Juma. Na we appointment he did. Oh, says IGPs, at one particular point in time, civil society organizations, ABR, opinion leaders, opposition parties, and other associated agencies, say appointed IGPBR. Most often, any panel the retirement age.
Yeah.
And to say they have a course to complain. Yewura Porteria Quemo, Yewura Alasamo, Peter Namfurimo, Epenso, Baya, Bedru, Yewura Open Buano. But I think this is the first time a Yenya IGPB Aoba were almost 10 years ahead of him to hit the retirement age. And I say gradually, Ghana Chaneni Aqua the biggest component of the population, that is the youth. Wow, more representing about 75% of our population. Ghana, share Edineni Ako. Mebo abano so abaso. Say for the first time, Aduanaba status quo. Where ye free ho. They said yes, yaji Yewurai Akufudam pare ababa doctor. Edeno abano. Meaning say adansi dia Ghana for edini won hono. And also bet to me abuano ama no so aye na dwuma wo hwe ne bobre okọ police mu dwumadi a wadie how smart a woye any how effective a oye no any dwumadi a waye yesi baabi a wakobia as director of HR, director of financial administration, director of research and every bibi obekobia no olivo mark it means say is a new dawn for Ghana police as far as IGP is concerned. Yemfa support.
Thank you.
Emmanuel.
Dr. Free.
Kofi.
Yeah, special prosecutor IGP.
Medawase na enim se mbae kwa manchia abujafu.
Ya twem ye nko chan.
Mechia om. Kofi eba Kisia Jaben position na. I think it's one of the new ways the government of MPP introduced into our constitutional and I say governance system. Sebeya a corruption a bit me attacking head on because I may be about corruption. I may be a free corruption. That is a strategy from Kwame Nkrumah time benina maybe use corruption as a tool or the editor abiness are the abine so is inti one way another but the so a new development and Martin Amidu so ebenya that appointment na make say Martin Amidu disappointed Ghanaians in the sense expectations are now biawo Emmanuel no he was not able to meet that expectation at the end of the day no obeye special prosecutor in terms of journalistic approach bibia no otro bibia no atwepen no otro bibia no atwepen no otro adwuma also wo ye no na on hwe so enye because you are being called to pay you are being paid to do a work no complaining office na nkasa kra was not properly set up by ono because na constitution so emraman ho kwan say also nti ama Kisia Jaben has a big role to play. One, to restore Ghanaians' confidence in that office na nkasa. So the office and also personality of Kisia Jaben. Unse Matiamidu wa ma office na anya operational. Ano no per se as a person no so no a disappointed Ghanaians in the sense ni believer or critic say bia you say a citizen vigilante. Yes. Na oba ye nti no ema obeye atrochro saa ye ntimi anhu adwuma bi a obeye ye no was so disappointed. And Kisia Jaben has a big problem, a big challenge. Not a problem. In the sense now no also me create my office new operation. The kind of staff or before the because now let's say during Martin Amidu time no or also most of the office staff. And this basa, you have to employ them. You have to give them packages. Also, the office should be resourced. I was here making sure the office you're well resourced, well prepared. Yes, sir. That problem of because you don't quite a bit man. He's coming to work. So we hear a good teamwork from the board and the staff obey. And at the same time, no. I was on Ghana for coming back to that expectation because initially, Matiamidu dashed our hopes in that office. Into a big challenge to reposition that office. That office, ebema that confidence nana Ghanaians ewo earlier and that is another big rule I was say Utimi. Now, or no per se, I think he's a smart guy. And the age didn't be me. I was disappointed when people were talking about age. And the way we see answer the questions is perfect, smartest way and intelligent way of handling questions. Will be a good at the way we see me handle the questions in it. And the other side even realize say small boy in quotes yes because will be able to me handle the questions and I was so so happy for him and the confidence in him very high. But at the end of the day the political appointees and some of our chiefs whether we will allow him to work and no me key points are I would say Mehwesibia. That is where I'll be looking at.
Okay.
Because now my system, nobody appointed you to do anything.
Yeah.
Into one, you have the free will, you have the chance, but now no, you are going to be able to put you into test. Because you way and that's will be the obedient crab say where you drop only way. That is where you be who say whether Kisia Jabenya or call interview no on one on his own self. I say I'll wear my own shoes. That is the best. Me meeting me share Kofi Babwa. I cannot. Because and something Yankopon will be a differently uniqueness, our style, our personality, different. Kakran you're learning free nipa, but you cannot wear ubi shoes. And that is a perfect answer. So or the man and he at least with me admire most of the panel appointees, Ubia appointment committee, Ubia any general, unanimous decision. Let's say buying some of our stakeholders, they should give the man free hand to work.
Okay.
The same applies to Dampare. Ubia Dampare. I hope say so. But you know them running by Yajuma.
Yeah.
Then the same people now make us say
Dampare.
It go be so they say that part where you good way you say the human experience. But the end of the day so be track it. They say watch what. And say go be boache be say master unipa say why you dey mreni why. Na me nya dey me feel nti such a person you born abaso you bo bi abaso no. So mo dey mra no ye adwuma when obi amekam. Anka say ni opese ye adwuma na obegu party na say obegu aban no. Let allow him to work. Any no because eno na ama bebre ana police for no penny for ntimi nya adwuma as expected of them. Obia wo hopes and I like the way obia me aso sa nkofo yimi enum a omo be ye adwuma ma Ghana. Yenya wo mo na omo nya omo adwuma we a politician we a hwan. But I don't ever think say ebia the president Akufo-Addo be tumi afrɛ sɛ bia o ebia Dampare achi obi no afrɛ sɛ Dampare yi nipa koro. Sometimes I have that thinking say and any president bia ebia o so be protect the laws of the country na bia bibia say yi nipa koro man go free. I don't think that person will if a man for you to be a mpanifo bi na use president ni mpanifo bi din enti mesre say on fa ni nansi wo and I believe that the way I hear, everybody is in an expectant mood. I say enyoma ebesisa. Now one thing again is morale now the police system is very because I learned you were a grand person on your armchair IGPC.
Sure.
And me say age so I think he has to prove a point. Say be also what me ababeye ejuma ama yenyina. I give them the best and I wish them the best as well. Yankopon enka omo no mutimi adwuma ema ye nyina yenye well protected in every aspect of our life.
Kabore, well, just about 3 minutes, then make up a T4. A T4 will stand by. Now, it mean anyone so didn't come out with all the issues and pay Yabo Bosso numbers 03 224 98035 03 224 98036 and 03 and 0243 114497. Kabore Mamintio with anything you want to touch on left.
Adebakwa is societal norms and practices are frowning on a LGBTQ. Would the bar is a mamma metias and Sabius on Sabian sa Bearman the Bearman now by the bear or bar now the country room. A idea so ye Christo new, we a cramu new, we a bosom new, Ubia and so. Ya ready a campaign from the students' front. You go through all the 275 constituencies in the country. Constituency be anywhere even 1% of the population per sample now you use in support of LGBTQ+.
I see.
Akoma FM.
Se ye mra se bedwafo no bi aka ho obomu a wo de a bill and say motion eco parliament. Se ye hwe na meye mra na saa oba ne oba bema ne bema nkuta hudie tumu sem bi no yen criminalize no kire se emeye ade a se o de hu hyemu aye bone kese e wo yasase so na ho asotwe nso e wo honom tinenu some of the proposal they say si nya so obu se kwia na se wo wadwuma no dia e wo se efiase enfiedu okodi wo honom sinya Kofi ade a Ghana yemfa ye ni hwe ye ne se sa LGBT no baby a ekoso pa your man ya dade afi prison services
Akoma FM.
baby ekoso pa your man ye prison services edifante me na me ye mpaboni ni me na me nwe o man no ho adwempa me na me nsuro nya me na makoye bi di ya kye ene ye de makonsanwam se me ngotwa mfiedu ena nsawam nso ni ade ne headquarters. What are we doing to ourselves? Is the action just against painting a picture in the society the way should not be accepted? And now say the resultant effect and also no actions now should have an impact on the resultant effect of people involving in LGBTQ. Me as a youth, I don't think the focus should just be on the picture of it in the society. Because we ya yes microphone bi kura mo bobo pampers because abeye no mama tokuru na ye style bi a ubi da na kwa oni wani me ba ho so na aba ye ma ye nin the health aspect na ye started the advocacy and then ye met serious and severe panic ye fa bibi che mo ewu say 10 years na the whole prison hokra no hu say we ya once ebia do was be 5 years we ya ade ebeto no yemma bibia ehu. I've had a school of thought muka say ade we mo anya kura nkeye because mokoye all the western land Luxembourg no me do mo kika ho no wo metu mu so sa some of the conditions in the omo development partner support we ba na emma biem omampani a na ye nyina ye jam no na ye twa dado excellency John Evans Antamils akanse bi was it any support no we acknowledge, we recognize how important it is in our development agenda. But some support no conditions attached no say entimi mwa me strengthen your societal fabrics, your norms and practices. Now it doesn't sit well with our normal setting. And ye be your doc no kwakura yepe. Question now no pain say. Some microphone was some mentality no. Barbara bisa na me bisa ni. Se die no nipa da sani ubenya se wanya wiase ma da pade nyina na ekra no enu na ekopere osoro ye friends adimpan akotina ajane sani faso no wakere. So therefore once we are taking this giant step no afutu a opemso de ma kanima mpani bi no o se hwe ni fa hwe benkum hwe wachi pim ko wanim. We might not be the next US in terms of development. We might not be the next Singapore in terms of technology and what have you. But we might be the next promised land and yankupon when you saw your sass. And when they say, you ever not some who buy. And I'm reading a statement from Honorable Gabi Ochedako, and it's not a pleasant statement to me. It's a bisa question say criminalizing LGBT. Will criminalizing LGBT end unemployment? Yes, unemployment is a situation. LGBT is also another situation. Say yeah, an alternative means how to solve unemployment. You discuss it as a topic. But I didn't say your societal fabric. I didn't say your morals. I don't keep it the same. No. See a true and also one more. Let's deal with it as such. That's not bringing the equalization because Ye de beboa me yabo yesom yasetena dada yedie ne yenkoso e wo nyame na namuo mu a where comes in unemployment. It will or part that say ye trumu a any benya adwuma ya na. That was an unfortunate statement for him. Enunti ye nyina yen kan humbo masoman.
Okay.
Yen fa ye chita emma samra se bedwafo. Yenti amidi kaka say I go through all the 275 constituencies. We have submitted a proposal to Parliament.
Okay.
Say you be here the detailed analysis of how voting will be done in Parliament on this matter. Now, MP, when you count no kuni ye tumu we will be back in his or her constituency. Now, action be I was the youth of this country be taking because say or no mo ye na mo person. Abrasa na sa MP ni ye mabunu. Say ye tumu a ebi ankodo nya na say anybody who will
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Better say. Yes, sir. 3 minutes. Take over na fe me comment for.
Me amahu yewra Gabi yina ni tweet no. Mse obusa se mse wo hwe the import of ne question na no say ahoden a yedidi sa amra we si echi no. Emu no ebetumi de adwuma abre mabunu ene mabawa. Manu ye ne se ane de adwuma bebre wo mo. And because sa LGBT, sa gayism and lesbianism no. Kofi, woni mi se ma omo ya akwadwo.
Oh yeah. Oh, mo nim so.
Yes, omo ya akwadwo. Enti he has tweeted. But me response and say the adwuma ebebre wo. Because say adwuma wo be ye o se onyu. Eye wo no say wo so condition wo mind. Some person ye adwuma. Now one thing I've realized and I said, what now was to be any mono. Akwadro pa fufu yi Kofi omo ye number 1. Especially uba ye bi premium higher. Na unim ye de enoma bi afrafra. Mahu sa abrante bi I saw ye Cambridge researcher.
Yeah.
Oliver Baker Voma one. You see, he's a brilliant young guy. But one way ya obese ne dachi. Enya asembia na wose eka bi. Emre ya omapa bill ya ekwe. Irrespective of how defective say NCC ye kura no, the fact that say yati ase mre bi Ghana ya jatum say enne sade we say etususa no. I always call for encouragement. Ewo wona womo etu sa na mo. So na yem omo kasa de no bring the westernization and so on and so forth no. Me Kofi win me position when it comes to Christianity and Islam. I always tell Ghanaians say they were the Gonjas, the Concubans, the Asantes, the Fantis, the Kwaus before becoming Muslim or Christian.
Oh yeah.
Debi amekase Christosumba ye no ye na nye ye dia ya jatum ye som no kakrakra. Islam ba ye no nye dia ya jatum ye som no kakrakra. Mesremo sa this unholy trinity no mo fa meken no. Enye ye mamre ene ya mane. Na emre biara o ma ron person the constitution, the freedom of association, freedom of one. Emre biara na oman biara constitution no ejina na mamre ne na mane so. Into ko Ghana constitution article 11 ebia clause 1b na was 1c na e kira the laws of this country. What you say? And also a comprising a constitution here dey adwuma. Your constitution ya. And rules and regulations then we could call the existing laws and the common law. Now common law na say the common laws of Ghana shall comprise the rules of laws generally known as common law, the rules generally known as doctrines of equity. And the rules of customary law, including those determined by the Superior Court of Judicature. Yen customary laws na dey hene. Enya de ene maame mo ye nana mo te a no mo de chire ya. Sabi sa trumu ye nana mo chire bi. oba na oba nkonkoda na mu kire bi enti Ghana ya bobre ene ya hyase no saa de we sei enkan ye ho
Okay. Thank you.
enu ti na mre bia mba betrans ya me so obi obeka mra ho asem bia no onfa nkwa ye common law say was it part of our
Dr. Abremu na min committee for.
I'm say we are on course.
Yes,
my
me time na so. Min committee for.
Kofi Midasi. To talk about this LGBTQ or queer, I will say ye nyina ye gitum say enye part of us. And emre bia ye be hye bia ye make sure say ye be ye na emfa hwehwanso so ensa amfa mre. Ushima, I think say it's an early stage crana as I bill you more a process over the parliament. And I believe say Drew where everybody will be able the views about how to refine the law. Say we are say as in your master to do time be I was say it Mrs. Yamran say by bit me accommodate the changes na a war Emma Yenina and that is what I believe we all have to get on.
Okay.
Now the America say no na punishment in CBI 10 years anyway na 10 years no say nipa ko no the same prison but we learn say prisons some of these things as well also. You say no ko no ko ka ho ana say nti yen hwe that
a better reform.
Yes.
Anyway. Okay.
Omo say symptom.
Mame,
it omo provide counseling.
Mame announce me listeners 03224980359 98036 98037 and 0243 114497. Hello, good morning. When you?
Hello.
Yeah, when you?
Aduanaba.
Yes, Minia.
No more time of a
Bejo Suo.
We are cosmetic. Former road minister, Dr. Karana, and Consul, I'm Secretary.
Mamintio.
Now, I'm the company secretary to Open and Mamma Morabasoba.
Yo.
Mitaite, or Bos and Mitrano. We will now put Jara Kodet Mati, on and Amin Kaswa. What the African can tell you, Jara, mentioned the Yamio of Abushabin, Saber and Asante and Menchano. Aduanaba, and sending Yana Motano. When you are moment of my getting there, and to me and the DNA and man of Medio Motaba or Mioncoman. I am just a parliament just for me, and the best and Ralaman on Yadin. Me at 2, I ended about 20 years. Said a bear thank you, you know, also Maui, and Maui, a piece of woman. She just drama and go home to Cafe and from the same command man or your own today. That in just my papa, Banny and Lebanaba, you have a police, you have a fire service. You have a migration. You have a normal Milano. I had a come from Milton Pumum. Don't put it in the father from a pocket to Trajama. Yeah, but keep me on for the other.
But I say, hello, good morning. When you? Mini Abeni. Shab Mamintio.
Asante, Captain Gabale, you Papa, and I'm keeping them with you. Last friend, with you, and my son of Ennin, so. Go to what they would do. Now, Kaboli, young communicator, however, be ye my entity, pop up, a year grassroots align, a double no by. You know, Okasa the but some mission, the only Okasa all of a sudden, yeah, some about the new appointment and I did it was a procedure or so bought my penina so a cultural says appointment here, some appointed LGT, what do we imagine? About all the parents back whom I can't say. The questions we and the but you know, and about mobile one of us who and about what you I do not know what process is here. So, bit more so severe, could just say, I'm not trading up the man. That vigilante data was invisible forces from Mubuako Krumano, but to me so see you among and the second with my after so that person commitment now I want far or yet protocols are more input train from share person career or more to keep program for me and stop the cardinal press service and I'm over so and after so no a conform my dear man about so near a 2 euro my after so special prescription. That friends my man has minister. So for the first, we give a certain example. Some of the can do man as some woman who can offer so they can buy a question to protest the woman. But me, in the case where the example, and as my any place so the two minister. because of Kofi said the security minister no one. I'm not winning some woman or some political trend. That's a meaning now. Ultimately, the next process can no to maybe a home crab a tree January to so much. You saw the head man, the professor, I paid here. And said you might be a mobile papa.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
But I say thank you. Hello, good morning. Who are you?
Good morning, Offer.
Yeah, Mini Abini.
Offer to me. You are more.
Hey, Mini, na a year near the bay.
Offer, I'm here.
Yamiadum, a year near the bay.
A year last week, no. Last Sunday,
Oh, Debbie, and yeah, Facha Miss. Aha, Sunday, no, Kai Kranami, yes, absentee. Any Obertaminka. Mammy, too.
Offer, Kabara, Mamma. Now, if I say, maybe someone the time about it. Timuna said it, and Sama is happy in Nigeria. You said that any airport and what they say, no, and you are full. Even at the moment, you didn't go. I can't what the time you may the fair am I. You see, and none of us are almost 10 years for the country. And I said, one more Nita, a president, everybody from you said, one more, so I'm going to say more. I haven't almost how much. You see, my Roman son running your father, and why you're down and I young people.
Okay, Medasi, hello, good morning.
Aduanaba Kofi Asante.
Patrick.
And you have to assume up in America, and I do so. Thank you.
Mamintio.
Mamma Basopa, no question. It's a mess. What about Juma? And you want to say that regional Obeba Bidiso Amay. Now, I'm in here as a MC on a book on your Sejima. One Bosumchi DC, lawyer to see assuming. Now, many of the Casse, I did no Bano, data force for any invisible forces for to be to a year to mana, one on yes, uncle for Woodman. And yet, you will see back for someone who swap for. On and was here to think when see Yankumba, Yan Chichi, Yankumko for, and the neck air. It's the first agenda, and after first years, I say, IGP, a Jew to a partner, Samino, as a soul, local. Never be a some Okomatia or Catherine Kofa, Kokua, he graduated 2 months, the money at dinner, that's the money. As soon as they say Ghana for a good year, and the IGP. And no, and I'm this show and that you do, you know. Yeah.
Okay, Medasi, hello, good morning. Who are you?
1, 2. I'm going to formulate a fasa. You know, Asante.
I'm you.
Mamma folk has let me check Chaman and Equity. Let me check Captain Paul Jabali. I mean, I'm a couple of crew. Baba Yellow, commission officer, where he shares Thomas Swap. One club for man. You know, anything one when I was money. You have to get a pen and Kufado. Someone on your pet to grab all that behind. A bit, you know. What kind of car? What kind of cannot president? No, who to be a participant? Who to be a participant? The person said, pain, you know, not about kind of. You have some Kolasuma, only a target. I'm a Biatino. Everyone kind of credit a bad way. Not very into what to say. I'm moving over, and quick. I mean, you know, go for that Portino. You know, everybody go on a Portino. I'm going to be here. Mama, yes, you. They make me beautiful. So, okay. All said, Mama, I am to protect it well. No, Kofi. Now, for any appointment, Omokuntia, Omokuntia, Kwame, of course, Omagarano. Let's zero. All children, you try to say the same way. See, I'm not here, my Temudu. But you would allow the top of Omokuntia. But just to find out, I'm sorry, Tiano. This is a good one, Omokuntia. I'm not going to someone can tell of Korea. Of course, I'm not going to tell you. Let's go. Make sure that what's still some good because I'm going to call it. Look at it. We're not going to say, it's not going to say almost more. It's okay to go so crazy for a wife to be different. After one minute, find a yes and a coupon. 1 minute, I don't know. Okay, I can take this couple. I want to be it. It's not going to get away from it. It's not away. It's not going to go now. Let's still another story. First, no, or Shalom, one. Only personal. No more only. Yeah, what you papa? Of course, the kind of four. We want to say, I need to be old. So, what do you need to do? I need to be a. What can we suggest to get 5 million? I got the passport to come out soon. What are you here? And pay out for what that's going to be. What are you going to do? I call it the job from. The job way. What is it to us to get? No, what is it to get you up? No, you're going to get my idea. I can't wait. Yan the party. Yan papa Musamma. Yan Kendi. I don't go there and navigate. We are okay.
Okay, hello, good morning. When are you?
Mini Kofi.
Mini Abeni.
We are one Ankasa. Was it Kofi? One yadi. Yeah. We are the king of Tattoo Davis. AKE Akoko Benekate. Kofi, I think incoming youth organize a pop. I think go to watch out. And not even with Papia. Chama Mubina Chama. His Excellency Dr. Mahmoud Baum. Please, Mr. Isabel. I tell you, what word to more papa. Now, what train say we must have Giama, Medruma, Metakovi, and this in no more about special procedure, Penina, Yabino. Or just what I say, Obama, the Mediano, wow, with this segment of one of why idea. Or no access, we need it to say. Says I owe to Kenny Cocoyesa and this kind of battle. Wait. It's a little feature or trip on to see Ticasamo. Name what were your side? I would say that. But the Timamu home, see a new papa tuning at the phone. I don't know what kind of women so. But we are catching the set and you see Casama so with the car that I want to want them to come 10 billion. Not their what was as a money fanny. Now, we need to catch a gun upon the yesterday. It's a matter that we could always say it. And the acquire. Oh, booming Ghana for the airport of you know, over the second term, I knew the other 7 months. Over a double put this woman, you mean, and so the police were near the say, I started me by a copy of the to say, and no papa and another, that's what they people the next 4 years. It is $3 for you know, and another one, the pack, and then your papa, the money. Now, if you call by your coffee, who know. Where is the negative training allowance? Or you also want to or get in another person, or you want to or if I also have got a minute, first got it down. Well, anytime you want you better about them, or get out there, captain. Yes, of the net, I have to retain, so what I don't know. But this is 4 years there, so the man who buy out said no. And now they also wait just to watch you and to money down on my own. If you spend on about the end of the day, that's the man that will go for the put in the bottom of the day, or being national Madonna home.
I'm sorry for one fan, Chame, mean to me for course. I'm sorry for a better when you say, Mahmoud Kabari, and we are grateful. Sir, you know, at Trabedu Sabri. Sanso and Issa Moz, on your secretary for insurance constituency. And of course, Dr. Samuel Efriye, Kumasi Technical University. Kabari, you better was it.
Na unim.
Yeah.
And there was a mega program on campus, KNUST.
Okay.
And him say lawyers and media via national communication officer. Well, Unipa.
Aye.
KNUST and the political history, the political career in our started here. TNA is coming to have a time and share insights how it started.
Okay.
With 10 members.
Oh, that's great.
And share for especially students. The our Republic Hall at 12 noon. Na said you know yeah what me after could do on.
That's great.
Thanks for having me.
But that's it. I'm sorry for Nyami at my business so share. We need to Aduanaba Kofi Asante on behalf of the production team. Me and Kasa we media map for because Kofi we were Belgium na make sure we make it as usual you are on now and Obi Biara unyada je share on our Facebook page. And now we are Nanabila Kantanka one of the best and exclusive interviews. Archbishop Emeritus Peter Kwesi exclusive interview with Nanabila Kantanka. Pato Bobadi na join Nanabila. and then we are on Penny so. I mean, sorry, dear, as usual, the reggae man of Bini Akohine at the Binsroma Ebremo. Boba them were feeding on and have it in the Aduanaba Kofi Asante. Nanaya and the team, thank you very much. Akramina. I mean, Sira, Mama, you fire the four, and Yanum. Kafanya misroya jumana nyami besroya obraya boya amoya muraye abeya.
The station with the best music.
I love the music.
Akoma FM 87.9.